which we're going to send our test message. Nothing comes through per usual. Some stupid reason. And hopefully the YouTube one will come through because I know that's a lower, like a different latency anyway. All right. So, making sure that everything is up. Just gonna double check YouTube's stream. Are we good to go? So is one watching? I think that's just me. Oh, hey, Equilibrium. All right. Mute.
Step into Wix Studio
No,
and
mute.
handle
I
every
don't.
part
I
of your
don't.
build
I don't
from
want to.
one platform. Map out.
God damn it. Fucking YouTube is so laggy sometimes that I literally cannot mute the fucking ad. All right. Well, everything looks like it's working perfectly fine. All right. Now, this is the second part of the stream. So today we are going to be using oh. Okay. Gotcha. So, all right. We are going to first get this fucker on the line. Today's stream is going to be web development because I don't know how to make a website, but I want to figure it out. So,
okay.
There you are, fucker. All right. The stream is live.
Okay, what dog shit am I about to witness?
So, what
No.
file? What should I make the file in VS Code? Do I have to specifically name it like .html or something, or? Hello? What is first step to making website? Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Okay, I'm back.
Okay, I don't know why your fucking mic cut out. What is first step to making website?
are you entirely basing this off of me right now?
Absolutely.
Okay, you should name it index.html.
Wait, why am I searching for index to make new file? Index.html. Create new file. Oh, okay, wait, I just need to save it. We're gonna save it to this place. All right, and now we are in. I don't like that it's.
What are you?
I don't like that it's
Why are
doing
you? What are you making?
So, a website.
Really?
Yeah. Currently the goal is to just get something functional, and then I can figure out more later.
What functions are you going for?
Functional. Functional as in it can connect to the internet.
Okay.
Functional as in it will turn on and not give an error. That is the functional I am looking for.
Okay. At the top, you put in less than, the less than symbol, exclamation point, all capitals, doc, type, space, HTML, and then close it.
Autofilled for me. Yay. All right. So, is there a specific HTML like version that I need to, or like for documentation?
I'm pretty sure that thing right there, that makes it HTML5. That's like what it's defined as.
Doc type HTML?
HTML5. Yeah, like that. I think that's right.
Okay. So,
Okay.
now that we have a file that somewhat functions, I'm going to introduce this fucking twat. This is...
I haven't done this in like over a year.
I know. A friend of mine who is a absolute professional in HTML and website coding.
About that.
He is an award-winning web developer.
I haven't touched like code in like 5 months.
Who is going to be my dictionary teaching me how to code in HTML. and make a website. So if anything goes wrong, it is absolutely his fault. If anything goes correctly, it's absolutely because of me.
Okay.
So
Wonderful.
I just wanted to get that clarified as what this stream is going to entail. And yeah.
I could
So
never be a teacher.
I know. Why do you think I asked you?
Okay.
I also literally know no
So
one else who's willing to do web development.
Imagine being able
I
to
know you think I
Twix.
haven't
just
figured
by
out.
thinking.
Everybody I was with dropped out.
Yeah, so he took multiple years of professional web development in classes.
I took 2 years of a shitty class.
Absolutely a professional in the subject. Why the fuck does that?
The
Oh,
first
okay.
year we also just did Photoshop on the side. It wasn't even entirely web development. Oh
As you can see, only the most professional education.
my god.
All right. Now,
Okay.
how to
So you
make it
know
do
how
website.
in Java there's the semicolons?
Sadly.
Yeah, you're gonna have to close everything after this with something like that, except it's a repeated of whatever tag you use plus a slash.
Yeah, I think I have you. I think I've seen that before when I'm scraping
Yeah.
websites.
All right. So the
So
first tag you're gonna do is HTML.
that's what I did. Duck type
What
HTML.
the fuck? Nope.
What?
You need to make another HTML.
Another fucking
A new
HTML.
line.
So that.
I'm waiting for the stream to catch up.
Oh, I can actually. I should probably stream this on Discord. So that you can see my fucking screen. Yeah, not that screen. Show this screen.
All right.
Okay. Because the YouTube stream is actually really far behind. The latency is pretty bad. Well,
Yeah, I can
I
tell.
do that. I do that because I'm
Yeah,
lazy.
just like that. Just like that. Except you're gonna want to put this in the closing bracket on. Yeah. Yeah. See,
Okay.
you got the basics.
I
Okay.
vaguely understand this.
Okay. Let's start with the header.
Fuck. The header is the text section, right?
The-
Right.
Think of it like, okay, there's a reason they call it HTML documents, okay? It's literally formatted like a document. So you have the header, you have the body, and you have a footer. You don't always need those, but they're often used.
Yeah, I've seen footers in when I'm scraping before. Okay.
So give your document some head. Make a head tag.
Like behind the Denny's or
Whatever
header
works.
header.
Head.
Okay. So we have head,
And you have to close it.
right.
Get used to it. You'll have to do this a lot. You forgot the slash.
I'm what do you fucking mean slash? Oh. What the
you you need to get rid of that. Hey. All right.
I'm noticing I think I might be doing this wrong. Wait, why does this HTML not have a slash?
It does. It's down there. What are you doing?
Wait, it changed everything to HTML, not head. What?
Oh my god. You have a slash in from your first head.
Yes, I do.
You don't need that. It's only on the closing that you need the slash.
Why?
Don't ask me.
It's fucking stupid. Okay, we got the head. All right.
Now you put a title tag. You don't have to put this on two separate lines. Because this is just a small thing. And now just put the title of the page. Or the document, whatever. You do not have to put it in quotations.
No quotations?
Nope. You can spell barbecue. Yeah.
Can spell barbecue, right? I know. No, I spell barbecue. It does. It has auto finish, not autocorrect. Barbecue.
EARBECUE.
How did I spell it right? Asking for it to be spelled, but I spelled it wrong here.
You're stupid. I don't know.
Okay. All right.
This is painful.
I can tell.
I have to dig up memories and also try to explain it to you.
Oh, neat. That one auto finished.
All right, there you go.
So, by the way, how do I run this? Like, when I save it, how do I run it to check? Or is there a way that it just
If
automatically
I
does that?
remember correctly, unless you install some other programs, you just have to open up the file manually.
Uh,
So
wait, so
where's
like
your
literally
files
just
now?
pressed open it? Wait, I think I can, okay, I think I can do this. So if I just do, I actually don't know what's going to
Open
pop
file
up,
right
so
there.
I know,
There's an open. I
I'm
don't
just
know if
going
that
to
works.
close stream, or like to turn off the stream for a moment, because I don't know what's going to pop up when I do save as.
Yeah, what's gonna pop up?
Okay, actually, nothing I really give a shit about,
Make
so
sure to save it in its own folder.
yeah, I'm just gonna save it with like all my development stuff. Index.html, it's just gonna go there. Default folder. Index.html already exists. Yes, save. So then if I just open up File Explorer, which I think is going to pop up there, which is not where I want it to pop up. I want it to pop up on the side where
I'm trying
stream
to
can't
remember
see it.
what was the way I launched it. I'm pretty sure I used XAMPP, but
Zamp!
I don't remember if you need other stuff for XAMPP.
What in the fuck
You
is
might.
Zamp?
XAMPP
Okay.
is
Oh.
more for PHP, but there's other ones. It's like something that helps you host it locally, I'm pretty sure. I think. Maybe.
Okay. I've only ever heard of like Nginx is one I've been recommended to use for when I'm actually hosting this. Okay, wait,
I'm pretty sure there's a bunch of
index.html.
different ones.
Okay, it just opens in my browser. Um, why is my cat just screaming at the door? I don't know why he's doing that. Okay. So we have a blank
Uh,
screen.
do you want to set up any metadata?
Uh, what would I use it for?
It just specifies like certain parts of the document. Let's add the viewport one.
Viewport, what the
Okay.
fuck is that?
I'm trying to think of how to explain this to you.
Hold on, I'll give you a moment to think about that. My cat is screaming at my door for some reason. Wrong, baby. Being starved for it. Oh, you're not hungry, you were just fed. Well, I mean, you're probably hungry, but not kidding. You were literally fed like 20 minutes ago. Chubby little cat. All right. So, all
So
right.
metadata is like ways you can talk between the computers, something like that. I don't know. It's
I know
like
what metadata is. I am
for
asking
for the
why do I
document.
need it set up? Well, okay, I know what it's used for, but like, why would I need that here for specifically? Can you stop screaming? What is
I'm trying to
wrong?
remember. I don't even honestly. I don't think they even explained it to us. They just said, "Yeah, you just put this there." That's how they taught coding at our school. This just goes there. Why? I don't know.
Dude, that's what my math teacher was literally doing to me today. He gave me a packet that has the fucking instruction section. You know, the instruction section of learning
Yeah.
where the teacher explains it to you and then you apply it later. Half of the instruction section, he just said, okay, figure it out. And like,
Yeah.
it wasn't just like, oh, do the same thing you did here. It was completely different. So I had to just fucking figure it out. Why are you doing that? Want out now? Okay, fine. You want out?
Wonderful. Oh
It's the logic of
Lord.
cats. If a door is open, if a door is closed, it must be open. If a door is open, it must be closed. Or I must leave out of it. All right. So I have the title of Jones Barbecue and Foot Massage. Why was it not
Okay.
popping up when I opened it in the window?
Because it's not a title on the page. I'm pretty sure it should be the tab title, if I remember correctly, if that's how that works. Maybe.
What does that
First.
mean?
Oh.
I should just change the stream name to Two
Yeah.
Idiots Trying to Figure Out How to Code.
No, okay, it should be. Okay. If you go to the website, you see. Yeah, I don't know how to explain this. Okay. The tab, right? You see the tab at the top? You know how it has little text on it? That's what it'll say there. It'll say Joe's Barbecue and Foot Massage.
Okay, let me try and open that again. So theoretically, if I just like, okay, there's fucking nothing. I see nothing of Jones Barbecue Foot Massage.
Oh. Yeah, it's fine.
Okay,
Okay,
what?
anyway. Now we're gonna add some meta tags.
Why?
Because you're gonna you're gonna specify the character encoding for the document. Could be
Okay,
UTF-8
all right. So that's gonna be here.
under the
So
title.
under the title?
Just so it's easy to get to the title. It's like
Uh
so meta. You don't have to
oh,
close this one actually. You don't have to close this one too.
meta.
Meta space
Yep.
inside the inside of it, inside the tag.
Oh,
Don't ask why. This is just like how some things are.
UTF-8.
Car set.
Char set. Does it need space between those two
Hold on.
or
Okay, delete the UTF-8. This is where quotations come in. Okay, after car set, put equals
okay?
quotations
Yep.
UTF-8.
Cat fucking ramming himself against the door. Oh my goodness.
Your cat okay?
No, he was playing with a Nerf dart underneath the crack in my door. Okay, now I'm back. So UTF-8. So this is the encoding system. I'm vaguely aware of
Yeah.
UTF-8. I don't remember its like
Okay,
actual
I just
name.
googled this because I'm not actually that smart. They just gave me code and I kind of just like monkeyed it together. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing honestly, but like I'm from our teachers, I'm basically on the same wavelength as them.
You don't know what you're doing, but you know more than what I'm doing. So that's good enough for me.
Okay. Okay, so reading up on it, the whole reason we have the viewport thing is because, for example, on mobile devices, they'll scale it down
Yeah.
because of the whole resolution differences.
Okay, so it's
With
viewport
this
data
one, it
that
just says we know what we're doing, and it won't just like. Let me just send you this. This is a let me just send you this picture. It's a better descriptor than I can speak.
all right.
Boom.
Lorem ipsum dolor sit.
Ignore that. That's just placeholder text.
Without the viewport meta tag, with the viewport meta tag. Okay. You could have just said it expanded the text to fit the screen.
I don't know. Something like that.
Okay.
Oopsie daisy. I don't even know why I'm telling you this. I feel like you should just be able to copy it. I feel like you just want me to tell you.
Well, I would like to know what they do so I can figure it out and understand why.
Okay.
So after this, so we do viewport. Okay.
No, meta
Oh,
again.
another meta tag. Okay.
Yep.
So meta handles is just all metadata, I guess.
Yeah,
Probably. Name
I never really
equal.
use it for like much more than this in the class.
So this is for
I
the
think there's a bunch of other
viewport
uses for it.
content equals. Oh, okay. So this is saying that it will go by. Width equals device width initial scale 1. Okay, got it.
Yeah.
So that I understand what that's saying. Content width equals device dash width initial scale equals 1. Okay. I understand that. That's easy. So, and then we close this off.
Yep. You
All
don't
right.
need a. Okay. Now we're gonna go to. So you could import a style. What is it called? The style sheet? Yeah, I think it's just called a style sheet.
I really don't need a style at the moment. I need function.
We'll just put it there for now. Just one thing, just so you know. All right. Still in head, you put style tag, and then you have to close that with another style tag too.
Style. Do I need to do this way?
I would suggest for it, yeah.
Okay.
All right. So this is where you can define different stuff. So there's like a bunch of different branches you could do on style tags. You could like specify from specific IDs, specific classes, but we'll just go with elements for now. So just
Okay.
do body.
Uh,
No. Just write body, and then
okay.
curly braces. That's what they're called, right? Yeah.
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 Braces.
Yeah. So you could indent into a new line here. It's up. That's up to you. So
That
let's
looks
just
ugly.
go font family. Just do font dash family.
Font dash
Yeah.
family.
And
Oh
then
my goodness.
yeah, there we go. The different fonts.
I'm going to do probably Times New Roman is just simplest. Actually, is there Comic Sans in this?
I hate you. I'm pretty sure we had an example of the worst, like the ugliest websites, and I'm pretty sure most of them use Comic Sans.
I know. I've been told Comic Sans is the worst font you could possibly use. Gill Sans Calibri. Franklin Gothic Medium. Uh,
May I ask why you chose that one?
where's Sans?
Gothic does not make it goth girls, okay?
Holy shit, that's a funny idea for a font.
Oh god. You can just search Comic Sans. If you put in Comic Sans, it might pop up. No. Okay.
No. How do I import Comic Sans?
Oh, I did this once. I'm trying to remember. I don't remember.
You
We'll do it
imported
another time.
Comic Sans?
No, I imported a font, but that wasn't Comic Sans specifically.
Why not? It's a great it's a great formatting.
Okay, here.
All
I
right.
might have found it. Okay. Do what is that? Apostrophe?
Uh, I so hold
Yeah,
on. Apostrophe?
apostrophe. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I need to sneeze. It's not coming to me. Comic Sans MS.
Comic
With
Sans.
spaces.
Comic. Any caps or no?
Capital S. And then capital MS.
So like this?
And then comma after the apostrophe. After.
After the apostrophe? Yeah.
Cursive. That's what I'm seeing in this example. No apostrophe for this one.
Okay. Fuck. That's an error.
Delete the comma and delete the apostrophe in front of cursive.
Oh. So Comic Sans cursive?
Yeah, that might work. Hopefully, we'll find out. Ow! Ah! I just I just raised my hand. And I hit a square on my desk. Ow! That hurt. It hurt a lot actually. Directly
Card
on the bone to the corner.
the cardinal sin of installing Comic Sans into a website.
Oh, I committed a sin and I got punished for it. All right, moving on.
My goodness, okay.
Go, going out of the body tag, or going out of the head tag. We're gonna make a
Okay.
body tag.
Alright.
This is the main body. This is where the actual stuff in your document's gonna show up and be.
Not
I
it.
don't like how you indent things.
I we're
The
just
new
spam it a
lines are
couple
killing me.
times.
Yes.
That's how I always
Okay.
did it. I just did it because I was like, I had to. I'm gonna be too lazy to indent later.
So for elements like this, you could just put text here, but we're gonna put them in other elements to just help with organizing later. It's just a lot of elements. You're basically putting blocks and blocks.
So for
Do
elements, do
H1,
H1?
which stands for header 1, pretty sure. I think, maybe? Hopefully.
Do I need a slash for it or? Oh,
Yeah.
okay, yeah, it pops up.
And now you just now you put the title here. You can put anything you want.
Actually, I don't trust myself at spelling this correctly.
What do you mean you don't trust your spelling? It's right there.
I don't trust
Okay.
myself.
Now go check your webpage.
Okay.
Also, your stream can't see the webpage, so it's just like
Oh, I know. I know they can't see it.
okay, yeah.
I just had it off to the side. And also, since it's a bright ass white screen, I didn't figure that that'd be very interesting to see.
Do you not want to flashbang all your viewers?
It worked.
There we go.
It's in
I
Comic
see.
Sans.
You see in the tab above, it says it too. That's the title. There.
Oh, wait,
Wow.
it did? Wait,
Yes, it did.
I closed it, so I didn't see that. Oh, it does!
I think if you refresh it, it'll also apply.
No,
Maybe.
I closed the page, so I didn't see it. So,
Yeah,
but
but I'm saying I
after
don't think you need to close it. Maybe. I'm not sure. You
I'm gonna
might be
do it
doing
anyway.
that. Okay.
All right.
There you
So,
go. And now under the H1 tag, you can put a P tag. I think that just stands for like paragraph or something. I don't know. That's how it was always used. You just put larger strings of text in there. So there's like H1 all the way to H3. So those just get progressively smaller.
so H3 is just smaller text.
Smaller than H1.
Okay. Um, interesting. So, how do I put in a picture?
Oh god. What are you okay. Do you have it saved?
I'm gonna.
Actually, could you? I think you can just use links still. Yeah, I think you can. Okay, so under your P tag, or I don't know, above it, wherever you want to put your image, in between those tags.
Can I make a version of HTML where paragraph is just penis? I feel like that'd be
I
infinitely
think you
funnier and
could.
more memorable.
I think you actually can do that.
Yeah, I'm gonna copy image address because I don't really feel like downloading this image.
Yeah,
So,
I think that works. Maybe. We'll find out.
yay! All right. So, what tag is to display an image or a link? I guess.
IMG. And
IMG.
you don't close it.
Okay, cool. So IMG, and we're going. Fuck.
And we're gonna
Uh.
do it inside like the meta tag. Inside the
Oh.
direct.
Okay. Okay. So it's gonna be meta IMG equals. Yes.
Nope.
Fuck. Okay.
Just do IMG. Not exactly like the meta. I'm just saying it's gonna be inside it like that the way we formatted the meta tag.
Oh. Okay.
So in
Why the
front of
fuck
the
is it all blue
equals just
now?
put SRC. Space SRC.
Uh. SRC.
And that should just work like that.
Okay.
Maybe. Why don't you just click Control S?
I'm gonna be honest. I forgot that hotkey.
Uh,
Jones, good ass barbecue and foot massage. All right.
okay, let me just tell you the other stuff that you can add inside the image tag. Okay, after the link, go
Yeah.
after the quotation in the link.
Okay.
Space alt equals quotations. So
Okay.
this is just the alternate text in case like the image doesn't load. Yeah. And then after
I did.
that,
Hold on, and then I'm just gonna purposefully break the link, and I'm gonna save, and we're gonna open it. Where the fuck did it go? I'm gonna open it. Huh. That's a problem. Why does it work?
It probably is just linking to something else.
Save.
I'm guessing the link still links to something.
Hmm.
Why don't you just put like a random thing of just letters? That shouldn't
I'm
link
just
to
gonna have it
anything.
be empty. And then we're going to re-add it. There we go. Well,
Yay.
fuck.
Yeah, there you go.
Perfect.
And then another thing you could do in there is already state the width and height, or you could only, or you can just
You good? Hello?
hello.
Have it on?
Okay,
All right, there we go.
so basically, my mic has taken this cord up it so many times it's gotten loose. It's like a sorority club mic.
You know what? I was
So,
gonna see if you were gonna take the joke or I was going to, but I'm glad it was you.
whoopsie. Anyway, moving
All
on.
right.
Okay, after the alt tag, same way we're gonna do it. Just put height or width, whichever one. You can do both if you want.
So the same way as the meta tag.
Just some same way how you formatted everything else.
So
So width
width.
equals, yep, and then just put in a number. Think, and then you have to specify which one. There's like different units of measurement. Just do px. That's not.
I was gonna see how long it took you to realize that wasn't a number.
I think it should
400.
default to px. I'm not sure, but just do px just in case.
Yeah, and then we're gonna
I think that
do.
works.
Do we need to do height? No, we don't need
I
to
don't
do
think so.
height.
I think it should just keep by
So
the
if
ratio, whatever it's
we.
called. It's not coming to me.
Okay, it fucking didn't do that.
Oh,
Oh wait, what if I just run this?
nah.
Run without debugging?
That's not how that works. That's not gonna work.
Press workspace and continue. Oh wait, no, wait. I think this does work.
Does it
Hold
work?
on. Wait, start without debugging.
Because I think we had to install a separate thing to actually run it like that. Or no?
I
Maybe
don't
there's
want
an
to do it
update.
in Edge, but I guess I don't really have much of a choice.
Oh, yeah.
Hmm.
Okay, cool. That makes sense. Yeah, because we did use Run, but first we had to download some separate programs.
Ah. Okay, I don't know why. Is Control S not working, or is it, or did we
Do you
somehow do
put
this wrong?
PX? Hmm.
I'm
I
gonna
don't
do it
remember.
without PX this time.
Maybe without PX.
Yeah, let's try that.
Maybe it's already in pixels, and that you don't need to re-clarify.
Hmm. Hmm.
Change it to 40 PX. See if that changes anything.
Change it to 40. All right. Hey,
Yes.
hey, welcome to the stream. And I'm gonna be honest, I can't pronounce that name. Is it space PX or just PX?
No, just do 40. I think it's already defaulted as pixels.
40 PX? Okay. Or 40. All right.
No, just do
Control
40.
Control S, and then I'm gonna manually fucking press the save button. Wait, I want to check something. Is it Shift S? No,
Scratch
Control
my
S. Yeah,
head.
that's
I
correct.
don't remember how to do it.
Which is exactly why I needed a professional like you. Okay. So,
Not different. What
uh,
does it look like?
yeah,
Oh.
it is.
Oh, it did work. And yeah, that's how you resize the image like that.
I think the default of that image was 400 pixels.
Huh.
So let's try 4,000.
Oh.
That's 40,000. Let's try it anyway.
I'm pretty sure that's just gonna make it have a horizontal scroll. Maybe?
So
Yeah?
this is
Well, that's probably
Oh, that's the
around
dinosaur
it.
face. Nose. All right, we have successfully figured out how to not do it successfully. All right, actually, I'm gonna keep a tab. Should I keep a tab open? I don't know. So we're
All
gonna
right.
change that to 4,000, and we are going to try that again.
There we go. That's
Slightly
already
not
better.
worse.
Why are you zooming into his face?
I don't know. Farthest we
What
can
else
zoom
should I
out.
tell you?
Okay. The secrets
Uh,
of the universe.
let's do
Let's
let's do
change this to
links. Yeah.
600. Okay.
Yeah,
So
and
I'm guessing link would be similar to source or using the source
nope.
option. But why?
href.
href. Okay, href.
No. Okay,
So
that
header reference.
so you use I don't know why. They never said why. But just a tag. The letter
Okay.
A. And then href. Inside the a tag. Or
Oh,
anything like that that's inside the tag. Forgot the space.
I know. I just need to do that. Oh, you meant that space.
And then
So
quotations.
yeah,
And
I'm gonna.
usually here you would link to another page you have, or just entire link to a different thing in general.
All right, I'm going to link to my YouTube channel. Uh, come on, just load up. And we are going to href.
I should probably do web development practices, shouldn't I? That'd be a good idea.
Why do you think I'm doing it in a stream?
Anyway,
Hmm.
okay, you got your link?
Yeah, it's in. How do I
Okay,
see it?
that's not okay because you have to give it text. Okay, so you do have to close the a tag
That's bullshit.
because you're putting text in between it.
Uh, oh,
It needs. Don't
yeah.
say let you figure this one out.
Oh, text.
Okay, never mind, never mind. Just close the a tag,
It is
like how we've
closed.
done the other tags.
Okay, so
Why did you delete that?
yeah.
Okay, you know what? That works. That's fine. Now just put the name or like the text for the link there. Yeah, that works.
Look, where'd the web page go? Okay, wait, no, it's still over here. Perfect.
Cool.
All right. So, how do I change where this is?
Okay, I think you can just add.
Width? Or no, width wouldn't make sense.
Okay, in between the image and the a tag, add a new line.
Okay, yeah.
This one's straight off of memory. Do a br tag. Don't close it. I don't think you need to close it. Yeah, I
So,
think that should work. That just
just a
breaks it into a
break?
new line. Yeah, it should. I think.
Okay. Oh yeah, it does.
Yeah, there we go. It is. I guess I need this ad real quick. I've been staring on this at the side because it's just a shitty AI ad.
I've been getting this one too.
I don't want to join the program.
A reference, so that everyone can see this glorious ad.
I don't.
Uh, Yeah, okay. Hold on. Wait, I have to fix something now. It fucked up my screen. All right, and there we go.
Wonderful.
How doth fix? There we go. Okay.
All right. What else do you want to know?
How do I make a blog page?
Ah. That's
I heard pain in that response.
that's a little more complicated from where we're at right now.
All right, how do we get to that step?
Oh. Oh no.
This is why backend exists, isn't it?
Yeah.
Fuck.
All
I'm
right.
guessing that's a backend coding thing.
No.
Oh,
Yes and no.
fuck.
It depends on how much. Because right now what we have is a static page, so it just stays like that. It doesn't have like you don't interact it really. It's just like that.
Yeah, I'm trying to make something dynamic,
Yeah.
which means I need backend.
Mm-hmm.
But Python is backend, right?
You like JavaScript?
Fuck.
Can you use Python? I don't know.
I thought
I
Python
think
was
so.
backend. I can use
No,
JavaScript. It's
for
not.
HTML.
Oh, please say it's not
I'm
just
not sure if you
PHP.
can. PHP, yeah, you can do PHP.
No, I don't want
PHP.
PHP.
Oh,
What backend programming language can I use with HTML?
but I know JavaScript works.
Python.
Oh, you can use Python.
Python is
But
widely used. Its simplicity, readability, and versatility. Frameworks like Django and Flask make it ideal for web
let me show you
development.
this
Hold on.
section of PHP I found.
I'm gonna look at Nginx because I don't know which part of Nginx. Nginx is a web server that
Yeah.
functions as a reverse proxy, load balancer, HTTP cache. It was high performance. So this is just a hosting thing. Server that can handle HTTP, mail, TCP, UDP. Okay. Okay, saying it can handle TCP and UDP traffic is like saying that it can talk.
Not gonna
Um,
lie, a lot of web development that we were taught is basically just how computer programming is, from just copy and pasting a lot of shit and just knowing enough of it to be able to edit it.
no, you need to use SQL.
No, you don't need to.
Literally, that's saying it's connecting to SQL. The segment you fucking sent me.
Oh no, that's no PHP is just a way to talk to SQL for like data stuff.
Oh, I don't want to do that. I've had to deal with SQL enough as is. Okay, SQL isn't that bad, but like,
SQL is actually really simple.
I know it's simple, but that doesn't mean I
And
like
with
it.
PHP just makes it so you run SQL lines or connect SQL to a web page. It's actually not that bad.
All right. So, because I know there's a lot of PHP exploits that come with figuring out databases, but I also don't intend to put anything crazy on this website, so I don't really care if it doesn't have strong security. I still will put security into it, but on click my function. Fucking idiot, this uses SQL. Row IV. All right, so can you explain to me what that code segment was that you sent me? It's just doing
Okay.
a function.
Let me open it up. Hold on. Open link. Okay. So PHP, it's literally just like a medium from SQL to the web page. Something like that. The first comment say what the first stuff is. It's pretty simple. It's really just what we did in SQL, except it's just formatted in a computer's voice, basically. So the first line connects to the server, as it says. The second one connects to a specific database, or ends it if it cannot. And then the third line gets everything from the list.
Okay, so But that requires an SQL server with said information already.
Yes. I'm pretty sure there is a way to just make it off of the PHP. But the thing is, they'll make it every time it starts up. I think it's better to just have one already made.
So the SQL server has all the blog posts in it,
You don't
or
need.
is
I don't. I'm not sure why you need SQL for a blog.
because if I can, well, okay, the first goal is to just make a HTML web page and understand how to make it look nice. Second step is going to be functionality.
Okay, so for that, you're just gonna be basically using a lot of things called divs, which are dividers, which is basically take up like a certain block,
Okay.
and you're just gonna be fucking with those dividers a lot. I'm not sure
Okay.
if that's the most effective way to do it, but it's whatever way our school taught, so it's probably not the most effective way at all.
Probably isn't. So that
Let me
means we're
send you this, and then I can explain to you parts of it.
oh, W3 schools. Yeah.
It's
Perfect.
my best friend.
All right. Do they use SQL?
No, I don't.
Doesn't look
That's
like
why
it.
I don't understand why they're needing SQL. You don't need SQL for just
Oh, this
a blog.
looks kind of perfect actually. All right, so add a gray background color with some padding. Is this the what? Okay, so that float next to
Let me send you the box model. That's
two
helpful.
unequal.
That's something you should know.
The box model? All right, so this is the link he sent me. So bright. I need. Is there a dark mode? There is
There's a
dark
dark
mode.
mode.
I love dark. I love W3. Um. So okay, we have HTML, we have the head, we have the meta tag, style.
And a bunch of those first few things are just parts of the style tag.
Okay, yeah, I have seen this before. Border, margin, padding, and content.
So you see the period in front of something like period header?
Yes, I do.
That is a class. So classes are things you can apply to different stuff. So you can make like a class called circle and it'll
Okay.
affect everything with that class on it.
Oh, people. Oh, hey, WebDev. All right, hey, big legs. What are you trying to do? I'm trying to make a website. Yeah, divs are the easier way to go, but for the semantic, we use other names for divs. Okay. Somewhat familiar with
Yeah.
programming websites if you want help. Well, currently, I'm all for advice, but I'm also just kind of hitting my head against a brick wall right now. Well, we're learning.
Making
We're
me hit
learning.
my head against a brick wall.
Yes, I'm making him hit his head against a brick wall for my sake. So he's enjoying this a lot.
No.
Um, and he's definitely here of his own free will.
Am I getting paid for this?
Okay, so what was the thing we need to do next? What was classes?
Yeah, I was showing you the box model because it explains what padding is.
Yes. Okay. So padding is where would padding
Eh,
be in this section of in this W3 model?
Yes, there is a padding in the style.
Oh, well, okay, does it
Like,
oh no, it does actually say that. So
like look in the header. It says padding.
yeah, I see it. So if I
Padding
add
is basically just a
200,
space
what grows?
between the border and the inside content, as you can see in the box model.
Okay. So padding is the outline basically. This like light grayish outline.
Where are you looking?
On W3 schools. It's
Mm,
this segment of
okay, look, I'd say a better place to look. Okay, look at the place where it says title heading. You see how
uh
there's no on the page on the right.
oh yes.
You see how there's like space from like the sides of it?
Yes.
That's the padding.
Okay, got
And
it.
you can specify like padding left, right, all that.
Gotcha. So what site are you trying to make? Honestly, nothing in particular at the moment, but the final goal eventually is to try and make a blog. Of which when I said that idea to my friend right here, he almost had a panic attack thinking about how to explain any of that to me. Very nice. Let's go together. All right.
I don't teach
So,
for a reason.
yeah.
If I could, I would be a tutor.
Why don't you tutor? That's money. I don't like
Because
it.
I can't teach.
Get better at teaching.
I don't want to.
Fuck you.
I don't like dealing with people.
I don't either. Why do you think I asked to be taught and not teach? Yeah. All right. So, why did I close that web page? I need to see it more.
Yeah, I feel like that wasn't what we were doing.
I can try to explain the box model in VC. No, he explained it to me. I understand the box model. Okay.
I like the box model in W3 schools. It's very simple to look at.
Trying to put this on the side so I can see it is a little difficult. So, create two unequal columns that float next to each other. Left column, right column. Float left, float left. What does it mean, float left?
Float. Okay, float was like.
I've actually
how a
tutored a
line
classmate
works
for
in
our
like
Python course
documents?
before. Nice. What? Where?
You know how a line works in like text? It's like that.
Okay. Oh, yeah. No, I know what you're talking about. So
Float is just positioning.
why does the float say left for both the right and left column then?
Let me see here.
Yeah, in W3 schools.
Column.
Okay.
Okay. It's saying it starts from the left, but pretty sure from the width. Is that how that works? I'm trying to remember. Hold on. Ooh.
All right. Well, two cavemen trying to like start a fire together.
I haven't done this in forever. Why didn't you ask one of them?
Ask one of who?
Your viewers.
But it's funnier this way.
It's painful.
Also, you said you wanted to be in a stream.
I didn't think you meant like this.
Well, you didn't ask.
I wanted to be stupid, not this stupid. Why the fuck did I just get a message saying it's Nerf or nothing?
From who?
That makes me feel violent.
Who'd you get a message from? So it's position float left.
Yeah, it is.
Yes, it is. Wait, it doesn't have a position section.
Position is different.
Okay.
But like I think that means remember. There's absolute, which just means it's always there. Float just means like it shifts.
Gotcha.
I don't remember all the ones. There's float.
Okay.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Neither do I, but you know slightly more, so that's
Do I?
perfect.
I feel like I don't right now.
Slightly more.
Yeah.
I'm only good at like attacking websites. I've never made one. That's the problem. We are in different parts of.
I made one like 2 years ago.
We are on different sections of computer science.
I don't know what I'm doing in computer science, honestly. I'm just like there.
Is it your dad, the one who rigs the fucking slot machines?
Yeah. Alright, width is simple. It's just how much it takes up. That's why they're next to each other, I think. Maybe? Hopefully.
So
That doesn't sound completely wrong. It's not that.
Font family Arial, not what I want. I want it to stay as font family. Fucking Comic Sans, because it's stupid as shit. We're gonna go. Hold on, this is weird.
So, like, the best way to understand some of these things is just to fuck around with it, to see how it's affected. Like, let's see here. Ooh.
Yeah, I misheard. Right. So could you explain me why sections are in like Java and other sections have the little fucking break less than equal less than greater than signs? Like what is the difference between this body and the body we're using?
I actually don't know. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not even gonna try. I don't know. They never said why. It's just like that.
Fucked. All right.
Style is just like that, and then HTML. Everything HTML is formatted with those less than greater than signs. But for use the style sheet, that's something else. It's like I don't think of the right way to word it.
Okay, so
What?
slash P slash LI. I'm just looking at the basic thing to see what I can figure out. That's just a
Let's go
title
over classes. That's a
page.
good thing to go over. Okay.
Okay.
So go in style.
Go into the style section. Got it.
Yeah.
I can't see the W3 schools example. Yeah, I have it on my other on my other
Yeah,
screen.
you just have your code.
Yep. Okay. So
Okay, so just
style.
do period and then name it whatever. Blue balls or something, and we'll make it blue. And now the curly braces.
Okay, so just like Java. Do we do like color or?
All right. I think that's right. Am I
Oh wait,
reading the
I understand why it's in a warning. It's not in camel case.
And then
Okay,
just do color. The English. I can speak English, right? No, I'm gonna get deported.
we're speaking to
Color
column.
column, and then I don't think you need quotations.
Color column
No, the fucking- what's that called?
theme.
Colon. What the fuck am I saying? Column. Colon. I'm
Color
stupid.
colon. Got it. Oh wait, that's a semicolon.
That's a
Colon.
semicolon.
I know. Why the fuck am I over here?
Okay. Blue.
Okay. New.
Semicolon. So make a new p tag
Down here.
in the body.
Okay. So in the body, we make
Just
a
make it like
new.
say whatever. It's,
All right.
and
Big joke.
okay,
So
in the
just this.
first part of the p tag, just like how we've done everything else, we're gonna add a class thing
Okay. So far, this has done absolutely nothing.
because
But
we haven't added the class thing.
okay. Well, then why didn't I add the class thing? All right. Where?
Go to the p tag that you just made.
Okay. Got it.
Now inside the greater and less than,
Let me
we're
guess.
gonna add the tag.
Inside which one?
The first one. It's always the first one, I think.
Blue ball.
No.
Oh, okay.
You're gonna do class equals quotations blue balls. No period.
All right.
That might work. Maybe. Probably.
So just do this. Okay, we have colored text.
And that's how classes work.
I just
Yay.
want to so okay, how do I change the
So
background color?
go to body.
Gotcha. I'm guessing I'm gonna have to do it at near the top. Style?
No. The body tag in the style. Where
Oh,
you wrote
okay, okay,
drawing
okay, okay,
commands.
okay. Right. Forgot about that.
You already have a body thing. Just do it there.
Yep, I did it.
Your stream isn't updated.
What do you mean? Yeah, I have it right
Okay.
here.
Go into the body in the style. The curly braces. Go inside there.
Oh, go in here. Okay.
Just add a semicolon.
Semicolon?
Background dash color.
Uh, wait, could you repeat that?
Background dash color. Yeah.
Wait,
Nope.
okay,
You had
it
it.
corrected wrong.
And
Background
now
dash
just
color.
put in the color. Okay.
All right, so we control S, and we just wait. Doesn't look beautiful.
Yeah.
I heard physical pain as you said that.
I don't
So
fight.
if I wanna add space to something, it was div, right?
What was that? Oh, I was reading the newest message. Yeah, there is a form pane. I'd prefer if you explain this, but he wants me to do it because I
I
don't know what I'm doing either.
feel like there are some things that might need better understanding. I really want to try explaining some of this stuff in a VC because I feel like it's a form of pain listening.
It is a form pane.
That may be true, but in my personal opinion, it is way funnier this way. What the fuck?
What did you do? I looked away for a second. What did you do?
Okay, I don't know how. It switched to my other desktop.
Okay.
Out of curiosity, do you know anywhere? Oh, wait, why is he asking me? Uh, yeah, why? Oh, he doesn't have his volunteer hours. Dumbass.
What?
Uh, El Mexicano.
Oh, that's
Yes, hey,
strange.
do you know anywhere nearby where I can volunteer? And I'm like, oh yeah,
The last year to do it.
I need volunteer hours. No.
Oh, you have no idea how much he rage baits some people. The previously mentioned El Mexicano, he gets pretty mad.
Maybe even
There's a
funnier
reason.
if you hear me raging in person.
There's a reason Mush didn't ask him for help.
There's a reason there's certain people I know that cannot be in streams because of how little of a filter they have. Hello, hey, welcome King Cardi 890 again. You
You
were in
know
a
why I
previous
don't like the
stream.
color green.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. I was wondering why you were disgusted by it being green. I was like, oh, too bright of green. Oh no, that's the reason. I remember now.
It's a reason. It's one of the reasons you couldn't even post a video.
Yeah, his hatred for the color green is the reason that there is a video that cannot be fucking posted or even made.
Whoopsie.
Like, I cannot post a video of you in that game because of how much you hate the color green. All right.
I'm
Anyway,
toned down.
how do I make a
I
gradient?
just gradient. Okay.
Like, how do I make it fade? How do I make the page go like green to green yellow or whatever the fucking another option was?
Okay.
If you want
So
the best rich viewers that get 50 subs, look at this site. Oh, yeah, thanks. All right.
that's a good principle.
I don't swear on principle.
We
I swear
swear
a
too
lot.
much. You do
We
worse
swear a
than
lot.
swearing.
Coming from you.
What do you mean coming from me?
You know what I mean.
You said worse than I have.
You've done worse than I have. Uh,
Considering your history, I don't believe that. All right, do you want to do it top to the bottom or left to right?
she was hot. I don't regret it. All right, what did you want me to do?
Top to bottom or left to right? Which gradient do you want to do?
We're gonna do left to right because that looks shittier.
Okay. Okay, change background color to background image.
Background image. Got it. Oh wait, I can change the hex code of this? Hold on.
Probably.
Wait.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure you can do hex codes. I'm pretty sure you can do
Background color,
every
and then I'm
different color.
gonna go back to green, and then wait, I can manually change the
Yeah, it's a cool thing
value.
they have.
Oh, neat.
Pretty sure you can do hex codes and RGB.
I'm going off RGB value just because it has a slider and I like wait, does it is that not showing up on the stream? It should.
No, it does.
Okay, cool.
Or at least does it show up on the YouTube one?
What's the site you're trying to make? What's the purpose? There's not really a purpose. It's just kind of practice and bullshittery.
It's
Oh,
just
fuck.
taking the life out of me right now.
I'm not taking the life out of you. You are definitely a willing participant for this stream.
I was.
I don't know, were you? All right, background image use. So we're gonna do that image.
Delete the
So,
RGB. Actually, you can just copy it if you want. If you want to still use that color.
yeah, I don't really care, honestly. I'll just re-find it later.
All right, and now type in linear dash gradient.
Linear gradient?
Yeah,
Oh, okay, linear gradient.
I can't
So,
speak English.
no,
Is the
I just
purpose
couldn't hear
sorted?
if you
Yeah.
said
All right. Now you put the direction, so we'll do 2 right. 2 space right.
2 space right, like that.
I think so. Maybe we'll find out.
2 dash right. No, it's not.
No, 2 space right.
Okay.
Probably. We'll find out. And then comma, first color, the color on the left, and then comma, the color on the right. So you put in your 2 colors now.
Where? Sorry, I was trying to
Comma,
get comma.
first color,
So green,
comma, and then their second color.
aqua.
Okay, let's see if it worked. Maybe it worked.
Control
We'll
S. I
find
don't know.
out.
I can always make this better later, but most of it's just a learning opportunity right now. And sorry, I was kind of spacing out. The El Mexican kept fucking asking me questions
Why is he doing volunteer hours now? It's a little late.
because he's not. He
Big letters
signed
mean
up for
PC
the
for it.
club that literally does volunteer work. I don't understand. All right. This looks like dog shit. Perfect. Uh, um,
Oh my god. I'm like, okay, I'm back.
I didn't even notice your mic being gone. One of the cool things about CSS is it supports so many ways to describe colors. You can use color names, hex codes, RGB, OCLAB, and other systems you may have never heard of. I know of some of the systems that have to do with like using color at very specific words. But yeah. So um okay, wait. I just needed to check something. So how do I make a button that does something? Or is that
A
does that
button?
does that require back end?
No, I don't think so. I'm pretty sure you can still make it do. For more advanced stuff, you can. Actually, do you? No, I don't. Not. You can do basic stuff. Okay. Just make a new tag called button. Then you have to close it. Put text in the middle.
Got it.
And then you have to put type equals quotations button. Pretty sure.
Here. Type equals button. Like that?
Uh, yeah, okay. I don't know if the capital type will affect anything. Just make it
I
lowercase for
didn't
now.
okay. It probably does,
Okay,
knowing.
now let's just add a function for it. So after the button, after type equals button, put in on click equals quotations.
So on click equals how do I like
We'll
make it play a
do
sound effect?
sound effect. Oh, I haven't done
Yeah.
that yet. Actually, I don't know about that. I'm not sure for sound effects. That's a good one. Let me see if I can
Ouch.
find it.
Okay.
Right now, here, just do alert parentheses
Alert.
apostrophe and the message you want to pop up when you click the button.
All right. Let's see if that does anything. Okay, so we have boop real. Okay, so the alert. Got it.
Yeah.
So that's the alert function. Oh boy, you're getting to JS now? Fuck.
Yeah.
Does it
You'll be
really
fine.
need JavaScript?
I don't know how to connect to the Python. Maybe they know. You can ask them about
Well, I
that.
mean, I can connect it to JavaScript. I'm not that worried about it. I know JavaScript enough to figure it out, but like,
Do you?
past that class.
Yeah, why was
Okay,
that?
my fucking project. Okay, I refuse to accept AP CSP as like an actual computer science course because
Oh, no, it
they make
wasn't.
us learn JavaScript and then the test is in made up bullshit.
Yeah, our computer classes were actually so bad.
Okay, that's not even. Okay, well, I can't say that's not even ours, but so how do I use a div? I have a div up here that I just haven't used.
Uh, okay. So, okay, let's make an example. Okay. So for close to div first,
Got it.
and then let's give it an ID. So inside the div tag, do ID equals quotations whatever the ID is.
So just I like two.
Sure, I think that'll be fine. Maybe.
Okay,
Might want just do the actual two, just TWO.
it has to be a word.
Just start it with a word because I'm not sure how if it might conflict with anything else. And I just put
Yeah.
something in that div,
Like what?
just like text or anything. Just
Okay. Well, I thought you
divs are
said the
blocks.
huh?
Divs are blocks basically, and you can't just put text in that. It's just not what you're supposed to do. What you could.
So if I change, hold on, wait a minute. This should work then. Just
Oh yeah, you
do.
can just put.
Oh,
Actually, wait
I
a
just
minute.
want to do
Let's see.
this, and then div. No, not what I wanted. We're gonna do that, and then we're gonna delete this.
I
Will this
think you can
work?
get rid of the break tag then. I think.
Well, no, I still want the break tag because it.
No, but I
Oh,
think it'll already create a new line since it's
oh,
in a
okay,
single
okay,
div.
okay, okay.
Maybe. We'll
So
find out
Control S,
in a
and
while.
then we're going to. Did nothing.
Yeah, it does. Okay, cool. So you don't need the break tag there. Okay. And then, so okay, go back to style
Got it.
on a new line. Okay. Do hashtag 2. And that's how you reference specific IDs.
Okay.
And then you can do curly braces and then let's like make the background color red. I don't know.
We're gonna make
Say 10 color.
it blue.
And now see if that did anything to the page.
Okay. Save. Okay, I did this, which I didn't expect it to do that, but I can't say it's not correct. So what I kind of
Because
wanted
the div is
is
basically that's like just to show you that the div takes up that block.
okay. How do I center this image? Like not center it in the middle, but like move it over.
There is many ways you can do
Okay. Give me a common one. You prefer a foot or head massage? What the fuck is that supposed to mean?
Well,
Head massage. Anyway,
what?
I don't know. Something someone asked on Twitch. Okay.
Oh yeah, you're also on Twitch.
Yeah, I multi-stream to both Twitch and YouTube.
I haven't even looked into Twitch yet.
Don't worry. Almost no one comes in.
Oh, cool.
People don't use Twitch as much, and also I don't get as many people on Twitch. Okay.
Well, let's just do position. That's the one that applies to most things. Okay. So you want it for the image specifically, right?
Yes. Also, can you believe that a certain someone we know won't tell them that we said hi to their mom? Trying to do this without names is really hard, and also not sounding racist.
We'll talk about this later. I'm not sure who you're referencing, but I hope you're
Person
not referencing
person who
who.
prefers you over their own child. You want the image to be shifted to the
Oh!
to the right of it. You can give the image an ID and then put it in style for that ID position. Relative left
Yeah,
20%. Okay. Yeah, I think that's what he was going to explain to me before I interrupted him and made him think. Um,
there are 5 different position values: static, relative, fixed, absolute, and sticky.
Sticky.
Yes. So like,
So where do I put that? Do I put that in the style tag of 2, or do I put that where the image source is?
you can just put an image. You can
Okay.
also just set on all images. So I'm pretty sure you can style onto tags. Okay, so go on the image tag.
Yep, I'm here.
Go
Oh,
inside it.
you mean on
Yeah.
this image tag?
Do style equals quotations. I'm pretty sure you can style inside stuff like that if I remember correctly.
Doesn't
And
look
now
like it's
you can
broken.
just put in what he did. Position, column, relative. Yeah. I think it's semicolon. I can't see.
No, I did. Oh, it's not supposed to be semicolon. Got it. What? There we go. Left
For the left
20.
20%, I'm pretty sure that is saying it starts 20% from the left side of the screen. Something like that.
Okay. Oh, okay. No. This is different. This
That's a
is a
semicolon.
semicolon.
That's where you put the semicolon.
Okay,
Yeah.
that makes no.
Now look at
You can do that.
why
All
is
right.
there a comma?
Why is there a comma? Because to separate, right?
No, you don't need to separate that like that.
Oh,
And maybe that worked. We'll find out. I feel like the other guy is like more suited for explaining this to you than I am right now.
all
Yeah,
right.
you. There we go. You can just do by pixels, but I also like doing it by percentage. Yes, percentage can get kind of fucky sometimes.
Yeah, that's
So I
fair.
think if you resize that, it should also change where it is. If
Would
you
that be
resize the
changing the
page.
width, or or could I change the height as well?
Which one?
For the image, could I change the height as well?
You could just change the height too.
So if I just Control S. I don't think that changed it. Hold on, I want to see if I can just like
What's up?
uh we're gonna change this to red for the moment. Control S, and then I want to see if okay, yeah, I can just keep the page open and I don't have to reopen it every time.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I thought you could do that.
Yep, slightly easier.
Okay, something that might help you here. Go to the 2 ID in style.
Yep.
Set the height and width for that one. No,
Okay.
actually, set the height at least.
Height.
More than the image. I don't believe you have to use. No, don't use
400.
quotations.
Okay.
Don't use quotations. I'm pretty sure.
100 pixel. I guess it
You have a
wanted me to
double.
specify. Huh?
You have 2 semicolons.
Oh, thank you. I would not have noticed that. I don't think that's a real problem, but it does look bad on syntax.
There we go.
Okay. That changes the 2. Gotta go for a bit. All right, see you, big legs.
Adios.
Um, could we do the same thing as the style and go position relative down 20% or like down 5% or something?
Do like top. Yeah, just I think it's top. Like
Okay. Do we put this in the same spot or
you can just do it inside the quotations there.
okay? Um, position. Wait. This would probably need a semicolon since we're breaking into a new section.
Yes.
Position
No, you don't need to do position. You can
relative
just do top. You've already
top.
defined the position as relative,
Oh, okay.
so you don't need to repeat that.
Position top. Um, 10%. Okay. Why is this a problem now? Hmm.
Why do you have position? It that's the issue. You have position still.
Oh, I don't need two positions.
No, because you're defining the position as relative already. So now you're just saying
Oh,
where
okay.
from it is left and where it is from the top.
All right. So if we do this,
Yeah.
hey, looks like dog shit. All right. Interesting. So, okay. So from what Big Leg said, I probably do need CSS or Java to actually connect that button to make the sound. Boop. Um,
Yes, and actually, I found how you can do that.
JavaScript.
Yep.
Okay. How bad is it?
Do you want to get into this?
Kinda, yeah.
All right.
Would you like to make this an every Wednesday thing?
Cool.
It doesn't have. Okay, here's the thing. Here's the thing. I'm not doing web development every Wednesday. It's just development in general. So like next week, if I don't feel like doing web development, I'm gonna start on OS development.
I can't help you there, but I'm down
I
to
know.
just be there.
You can just be a codev. We can just both have to learn basic together.
I'm not gonna know shit either.
Yeah, I'm not gonna learn no shit either. It's called learning, dumbass.
Okay, bro.
All right. And plus, you can put it on your portfolio and show your teacher, and they definitely won't be disappointed, like an Asian parent.
All right, we're gonna follow this W3 schools.
Okay.
All right.
So how do I connect? How do I connect back end and front end? These are separate files, right?
Yes.
Okay. How the fuck do I do this?
Okay. Let me...
How does opening an index file also open that JavaScript file? Unless you're making a Linux distro, you'll probably have to learn assembly for making an OS. Yeah, I probably do have to learn assembly. I just remember the tutorial I have either said something about, it either said basic or assembly. I just don't remember which. It was probably basic. Because I want to make it from scratch, which isn't good for my mental health. But,
Why
yeah,
do you do it like this?
because funny. Okay.
Okay. All right, make a new file.
Can you send me the link? Okay, so new file. We're just gonna, do I need to name it something
And
specific
simple.
or just whatever?
As long as it ends with .js.
Okay. Okay, I'm not naming it penis.js. Back.js. For
And
backend.
just make sure it's saved in the same place as the...
Yeah, it'll be saved in the same spot. I don't care. It'll just.
Oh my god, it's poor.
A raw OS is a massive undertaking. You don't need to make a new file to include JS. Wait, no, I don't want. Okay. Fuck off. I don't want to make generative code. Fuck off. It's cool. I get it. It doesn't mean I need it. A raw OS is a massive undertaking. Oh yeah, I know I already read that, but yeah, I'm aware that isn't going to dissuade me. Just means I'm going to be slightly more unhappy, but it'll be funny. Trust me.
That's nothing new for you.
Oh. Anyway, so we have the back end. What should I do? Or no, do I need to import a library? Or no?
I don't believe you do. trying to remember if you needed to add anything to the script. Yeah, we'll try. We'll see what happens.
Oh well.
All right. Go back to the HTML.
Okay. Do we need to connect the files somehow?
Yes, you know.
Okay, cool. Oh,
That's what we're doing now. All right. Back to the head tag. It's like
got it.
just put under style or above style, wherever.
I'm gonna put it like right here. Actually, does this execute? Does. So maybe I want it below style.
Okay, do script, and you have to close it too.
Okay.
Okay, inside the script tag.
Mm-hmm.
No, like inside.
Oh, okay. No libraries needed. If you were to import a library, they would be relying on stuff you can do without a library. Okay. So in the
Do
script section,
src
see,
equals quotations and then the name of the file.
back.js, or do I need to make the file path?
I don't think so, since it's in the same folder.
Okay.
And then that's it. Pretty sure that should be imported.
Cool. So,
try.
just do a test then. You said you found one that can allow me to do a sound effect.
Yep, that's what we're gonna do.
Okay. Good. Let's try.
Find your sound effect. Find your sound effect. Like, go look for it, because you need
Do I need to know the file path?
source. Yeah, try to see if the file path works. It should work.
I'm gonna go into my clips folder and see if I can have it. I have one that's just called tinnitus. Should that be it? Wait, this one's
Sure.
called disco.mp4. What is this image? What is this file?
Wait, is this on your computer?
Yes.
Right.
Oh. Uh. Okay, so for finding the sound effect, I can just do it through YouTube, right? Spelled source wrong?
No, you need
Didn't
the
it?
file. I think you need the
I
file.
did spell source wrong. Thank you.
Oh, nice. Yeah, he got that before it. Or he, day, I don't know. My bad. My apologies.
Thank he? All right. Um. So do I need to just find it on like YouTube or something?
I don't know. I don't think YouTube works like that. I think you have to actually get like the file link.
File link?
Yeah.
Um. Okay. So like the file that I have in my computer just
The sound file. The sound. If it's on your computer, that works too. Just put in the same folder.
oh, it needs to be an MP3.
I don't think so. It says you can like say which one.
I have this one that's just called
File folder.
j_1_1.webm. Hold on, I'm gonna mute the stream and see what sound this is. Is this tinnitus? Unsupported encoding settings. Well, fuck. Okay. Oh. File type isn't important as long as it's supported by the web browser. Okay.
I'm pretty sure by default it's MP3, OGG, and WAV. So it has to be one of those.
Do I have any .wav files conveniently downloaded? Or any MP3s that are just like convenient? I think I actually have one from an ARG that's just a fucking message. MP4, zip. Do I have a .wav file? I think I do. No, I have a song, which I know isn't copyrighted. Pretty sure isn't copyrighted. So I'll just use that as a placeholder until I get something I actually care. Okay, so I know where it is. I really want a VC so it doesn't take a minute for waiting for you to notice the things I say. I could change the latency, but that'll have to be a next stream thing. Open that file in your browser instead. It plays in your browser. You're good.
Yeah.
Got it. This did play in my browser, I'm pretty sure, actually.
Right.
So, background music. What? Why? 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 Why is it not letting me fucking pick something? What? Huh? Let me
What'd you
open the
do?
fucking file. I don't know. It's my file explorer. Let me. All right. It is background music.mp3. Open with choose another app. What?
Are you good? What's going on?
Okay, I'm confused. Oh wait, can I just drop this into my? Yep, works perfectly. Okay.
Well, we heard that.
Yep, that's gonna be the file. So anyway, now that I have it, do I need to use the file path name or what?
Where is the file path? Because you're gonna have to type it out.
It's in my
And
downloads folder, but I think I'll move it
let's
to.
move it into the
I'll move it into my documents.
documents. I think I know.
Not like I have anything important in this folder. I just throw junk into it when I don't need it. So can you send me the? So how do I play it on like as an on-click event?
Wait. First, let's set up the audio. Go back to HTML.
Okay.
In the body, make an audio tag.
And audio tag. Okay.
And then give it an ID.
Uh, ID equals 1. Oh,
Between
right. This
quotations.
one I needed quotations.
Yeah. And now make a new line in there. You don't have to close it. Make a source tag.
Oh, you meant in the. Okay.
No. That was it.
Not this way?
You were right the first time.
I very rarely hear that.
You have to make it a tag. Source tag, like you did the first time.
Oh,
Yeah.
like this.
Yes.
Got it.
And now inside that you do src.
Okay. src equals, and then we just
Okay.
do.
So we have to get to the file now. Where is the folder for your code? Is it also in the near the documents folder?
Oh wait, I forgot this is not how you do that. It's this way,
I haven't tried it like
documents.
that. We usually branch off from the current folder. That's what they tell us in the class.
Oh,
You might be able to do that though.
I would much rather do that then.
I've never tried it
Is
because
it?
if you do a period, it goes to the folder above the one
Yeah,
the
that's how it
primary
works
folder.
when you're
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's like that for most coding.
navigating through shell. So,
Yeah, so it's
so
like that. It's like that. So where is your code? What folder is it in?
this is the folder.
So then do like a
Okay, yeah.
period instead. You do period slash instead of documents. If I'm understanding correctly. Because then it's the period is saying it's gonna go to. Oh yeah, you can see it from there too.
Hmm. Yeah.
Right, to make sure I'm understanding it right, the code folder is inside the documents folder.
All my code is in my documents folder, along with random assortment of other files.
Okay. So it's the MP3 and the code in the same folder.
Yes.
Okay, so then I think you can just put background music.mp3. Drag and drop from the file explorer to a tab. That also might work.
I did. It just gave me my full the
Okay.
full thing. Yeah.
And okay, now that you have that set up, do type equals inside it.
Uh.
Still inside, yeah. Quotations.
Mm-hmm.
It's an MP3. Okay, yeah. Audio slash MPEG.
An MPEG. All right.
Yep.
So just that.
Yes, I think that's good for that one. Now we're gonna make
Got
the
it.
buttons.
Okay.
So you can
Can
just
I just
copy and
drag this
paste the old
button
buttons.
from here? Because this is kind of
Yeah,
the
you can
button I
just
wanted to use.
Yeah, you can just use that one. Alright, so then button type. Okay. Instead of alert, no, don't put it in there. Don't put it in there.
Oh, okay.
We just load it after, so put it after. Instead of alert, do play audio. Parentheses. Because it's saying on click do this function. So we're gonna make one called play audio. And just remove that bing bong part.
Okay.
Alright, now we go to the script.
All right. It's been a while since I've coded in JavaScript.
You remember how to make a variable.
Yes.
Make a variable for the sound thing. Name it whatever you want. Okay, now do equals. You can't have a space in between them. In the name. Can't have
Oh.
a space in between the name.
Oh no, I thought I had to declare as an object. No, that's Java, is that?
No.
We have to declare everything.
Document dot get element by ID.
Like that? All right. Yep.
Yeah.
Wait, no, I didn't. It's not an issue of latency. There's only a few seconds of that. It's that you can take minutes to actually read that chat. No, I saw the section where you said, sorry, I forgot to continue my last message. But I heard the drag and drop the file section. I saw that.
And then do parentheses.
Okay.
Quotations. What ID did you give the audio?
Play audio.
Okay. And now yeah, okay. Now new line.
Okay.
Function.
And then it's
Play audio. No, not.
No,
You
wait,
don't put
it's
space play audio.
keep pressing the wrong things. And then we do
Function.
this and then that. All right, I
Yeah, see, you
remember.
remember that part.
I
We're
remember
gonna
that
do
much.
sound dot play parentheses semicolon.
Sound dot play audio?
No, sound
Oh
dot
no,
play.
no, no. Sound dot play and then
Now put semicolon at the end.
that's it?
And just in case, let's make a pause one. So you can copy that function.
I'll just rewrite it. The entire thing or just make it
Do
pause.
pause audio instead, yeah. Same
Sound dot
exact thing.
stop?
Sound dot pause.
Pause? Okay.
And now go back to index. Let me make sure. Put parentheses on there on the on click. After play audio.
Yep. Oh, okay. I see what you mean now.
Okay, now just copy that button and just make one for the pause. So instead of play audio, pause audio. Your P wasn't capitalized
I
in the
remember
script.
that. I just
Yeah.
realized.
And let's see if that works.
Okay. we'll know if we have two buttons, right?
I can't hear anything. Is it playing?
Nope.
Okay.
Nope. Not.
Which part is it not finding? Now, the beautiful part of where's the issue.
Debugging! Alright.
Okay, we imported the script.
Do we need
Script
it
is
in
important.
do we need it in this audio section?
Background music done. I'll click on the background music.mp3. See what the underline thing comes up with.
Yeah.
Why? So that's just that.
Use Control-Shift-I to open the console. Well, the thing is that there's no errors in the console. This is it, like everything
On the
is
website. On the
executing
website.
properly.
No,
We're
no,
done.
he's right.
Oh,
Oh, go to the website. Control Shift I. Inspect element.
oh,
There we go.
23. Uncut reference play audio is not defined. Pause audio is not defined. So it's not loading up the I don't think it's loading up our backend.
Oh, okay, wait. Okay, go back to index.html. Go to
Hmm?
source
This one?
in the header. In the header, I mean. My bad. Script. The script. Where's the script? Inside
Oh,
that,
I know the issue. Okay. Uh,
you
you save the index HTML file, but you never save the back file.
got
Oh,
it. Yeah, good eye. Okay. It's new issue.
cannot read
Okay,
properties of null.
hold on, okay. Let me see if
The white
this
dot next to
fixes
the
it.
name means it has unsaved changes.
Let me see if this
Got it.
fixes anything. Go back
But
to
that
the
wasn't the problem.
index.
Oh, that's not our problem.
Go back to the scripts source.
Yeah, I see it.
Put in type equals quotations. No, no, in a new thing. In a new thing. When you're saying like in that,
Oh,
I gotta find a way to word it so we know.
okay.
Uh, text slash JavaScript.
Text
Wonder if that fixes
slash
anything.
Java.
See if that fixes anything. Does that help at all? No. Okay. Okay.
Uncaught
Go
type
baby
error.
play. Type error. That's in the JavaScript though. Okay.
Oh yeah, it is in the JavaScript. It's on line 4, it says, which is where we have the actual sound.play.
Yeah. Interesting.
Do I need to change it to a
Sound
different
play.
variable type? It says type error, so I'm guessing that's what the problem is. Do I need to declare it as a certain type? Because I had it as an object before. I really want to join the VC. Oh,
Change.
did I just change it
Change the name of the
to
ID maybe. Maybe it being the same is messing it up.
no? Okay, so we're gonna change it to S. If that works. No, not what I
Not
fucking
what I
wanted.
had in mind. I meant the element ID.
The element ID. All right, which one is that? In the
Did you
document
did you
dot
name it
get
one?
element by ID, I believe the ID may be 1 and not play audio.
Did you name it one or play? What did you name it?
I think I named it play audio. Oh,
You did name it one. There. Okay, that makes sense.
so theoretically,
I need to remember who I'm talking to. Yay! Okay.
different type error.
Let's get element ID. It's on
It
one,
is
right?
1, correct? Yeah, it's 1. Do we need to on click 1? No, that doesn't make sense.
Audio.
It's a type error, so what's wrong with this? Or
Document.
just this line in general? No?
Get element. This play is. Why is play the issue?
How is it not with this line if it's a type error? Actually, wait, I didn't read it. Did it change to a different line? It
Because
says it's having
properties of
trouble reading
null on
play.
core. So it's the play command that's having an issue. Why is that throwing a fit? That's how the audio is shown. Okay. Audio object.
Hmm. This is
Odd.
weird.
Because on the audio object, play is something that can done.
Well, do we have it as an audio object?
Yeah, the audio tag. You did spell that correctly, right?
Pretty sure, yeah, where? Where was the audio tag?
In
It's
HTML.
here. AUDIO. Yeah. Are you sure we don't put the buttons in the audio tag?
We do not.
Okay.
Here, let me show you the thing I'm looking at.
Yeah, I see it. Document dot get element by ID, my audio. Does it need to be create element audio? Cannot read
Create element
properties
is
of null
making.
means that the variable isn't properly defined in a different way usually,
Wait,
and that
that's
it
the wrong
isn't
thing.
actually grabbing the audio object. I really want to join the VC because this explanation is long. I know, but online HTML editor. Okay.
I don't see the difference.
So
Where's the example? Yeah, no, create element
source.
is making it would make a new element.
So /mpeg, yeah, that's what we're doing. Um, that looks correct. On click play audio type button equals play audio button. Yeah, that's what we're doing. We have it differently.
Which one do we have different?
It says it doesn't use the type button command.
It does. It's just
Type
after the
equals
on
button.
click.
Oh, you're
It
right.
has
Never
it.
mind. I wasn't reading that part. Script var x equals document dot get element by ID x dot play.
Big Legs is asking if you can send the file and
Can you
let me
send the
see if
HTML and JS file in the Discord or my DMs or something I suspect is the issue that I want to try? I guess.
try and look at the difference. Am I blind? I think I'm blind.
Documents. Or the files. Index is somewhere here. Where is it? The .wav file.
Actually, hold on. Try this.
RAR file.
Move this script, the entire script tag.
Yeah.
Move
Where?
it after the buttons.
How do you comment out in HTML?
Control slash, I think. Yeah.
Okay. That's fucking weird.
Now try that.
Control
Because
S.
I'm thinking now maybe it's loading in it was loading in the Java before the thing was loaded.
That was
Yeah,
the
that was why.
problem.
Okay. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Whoopsie
Okay.
daisy. Yay.
All right. We have basic shitty website.
The guy that actually knows what he's doing. He has no mouth. He must scream.
Okay, what else can I do for website functionality? Um, Being able to change it to a different web page would be pretty easy, right?
Yeah, you're just linking it.
Yeah, it would be the same method that we do for the audio.
Yeah, just using the A link.
All right. I'm gonna try and create a second HTML file. So, wait,
Okay, you
was I ever real?
you
Oh,
don't
damn
have to
it!
name. You can name this one anything.
I didn't see what their message was. Luckily, I have OBS that tells me exactly what their Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa, was I ever real?
What?
It's a thing. There's someone who repeatedly comes into my chat giving ominous fuck ass messages. By the way, we have a section on the Discord for you now. Was I ever real? I don't know if you're still in the fucking stream, but we have Valen Mori, their website, up there. I still can't tell if it's just one of you or if there's two of you. Oh wait, that was the Was I Ever Real account. I wasn't paying attention. Yeah. I told you it's hard to get a screenshot of their messages. They always delete them really fast.
I think you're schizo.
I'm not. I have it right here. I have it right here in my OBS. My OBS says Konnichiwa, and then my YouTube player says that they deleted a message. I still find it fucking stupid that you can't see what someone's message retracted was when you when they retracted on YouTube. It did say Konnichiwa. Yes, it did. Anyway, I'm going to create a new file or just does it have to be a specific name? Did they just send another
No,
one?
it does not have to be a specific name.
Oh,
The
really?
reason
Why?
you
I'm
do
quite
index
flattered.
is
It'll be
I'm
sure
pretty
to
sure
tell
it's like
Valen.
that's the first file that web servers look for.
Okay. So if I just do new but .html, it'll be perfectly fine. Perfect. I got screenshot this time. Cool. So, oh, really? Why I'm quite flattered. I'll be sure to tell Valen. Okay. Yeah, we
Where are
looked at
you
their
seeing that?
website and, huh?
Where are you seeing that?
Because in OBS, I can see, in OBS, I have it so that I can see everyone's messages, and OBS doesn't retract them if someone retracts their messages, which is why I can always see their message.
Ah,
So, doc type, I did that wrong, didn't I? What is it? Oh, exclamation point doc type, exclamation point doc type equals HTML. That's what it was.
why'd you put equals? No, no
You're
equals.
right, that is wrong. Oh, there's another message. She's joining right now, actually.
Anomaly.
I have random fuck ass ARGs in my chat. I had a nickel for every time there was an ARG in my chat. I've had 3 nickels. Isn't a lot, but it's weird it happened that many times. Actually, no. Has it been 2 or 3 times? I actually don't know. Okay, I'm gonna try and do this one on my own in my head. So we have the head file. We're gonna header. Um, a second page, and we're going to style. Oh, I did that wrong, didn't I?
What are you
Good
doing
question. I'm
actually?
not quite sure yet. Oh no, there's already issues with your code. What do
Yeah.
you mean there's already issues with my
Why
code?
why'd I think you meant title instead of header.
HTML.
And you forgot the HTML tag.
No, I didn't. Oh wait, I put it in the
Okay.
wrong spot. That's why I was forgetting it. So HTML. I was wondering why it looked a little weird. And right. Okay. Style. Shit. How did you do background color again? It was. All right. Body. Font family. Let's do something not shitty looking. Um, For obvious reasons, Franklin Gothic medium.
Okay.
Background color. Let's do black. And then I'm just going to like make it slightly lighter. Yeah, that'd be good. And it isn't header if it's the web page title bar, it's title.
Yeah.
Wait, is it?
You put header.
Oh, fuck. Well, I'll put that metadata as well, since that is just kind of good practice. I know fucking websites that don't do that, and they're made by $1 million corporations. Couldn't take the fucking time out of their day to type a
Well,
one-line
corporations don't
sentence.
care.
Char set okay, char set
And you forgot to update the second
UTF
part.
-8. Did I?
Yep, it still says header.
Shut up. No, it doesn't. She wants to
Oh.
know where the Discord channel is. It's in the description. Wait. Oh, they actually joined the Discord. It is in the investigations section. Should be the top one because it's been the most active. Weir has been speaking on my behalf, but hello, Moosh and viewers. Hello. Yeah. Fuck. Where was I? Brain. Short circuit.
What's going on? What are you trying to do?
Good question. I'm not quite sure.
Body? Do you need to add a body? Just add something
No,
you can see.
no, that wasn't what I was looking for. Okay, my brain was just short circuiting. I wasn't thinking correctly. But yes, body is next. It wasn't what I was thinking though. We are going to do first is going to be no. IMG, wait. IMG SRC equal IMG? No, it didn't need a second part, did it? No, image didn't. How do I do it when it's in? Oh, is it the same way as I do this? I'm just gonna make a copy of that file and put it into my thing then.
Which one are you doing?
I'm adding a custom image, but I'm just gonna add it into my documents folder because I gotta find it first. Models, and it should be not here for some reason. Oh, that's not at fucking all what I wanted. It's here somewhere. Where's that long ass image? Ate it a while ago. Where'd it go? My channel banner. That'd be simple. Is it under banner? No, it's not under banner. What the fuck did I name this thing? Oh, new banner. That's what I named it because that's actually makes a lot of sense. I don't know why I didn't think about that. So new banner.png. Okay. So we're gonna go new perfect. Okay, it autofills it. And that was this is an image. I'm actually gonna save this.
That's a good idea.
The only problem is that I don't have a redirect for my website now. So how do I redirect it from the main page? Do I have to, I would have to make a button again, wouldn't I? So
No. You... Wait, what are you trying to do?
I'm
You're
trying to
trying to
make
go
it,
to that page and then make a way to go back, right?
Yes.
Then just add a link on the other one to go back to the main page.
Yeah. But I wanted to go both ways. Is there something neither of us is understanding right now?
What? Why do you need a button? Can't you just use an A link?
I use it.
Like how you
Oh,
did with
I
your channel
could.
link.
I could do that. You're right. You're very right. A button probably looks nicer, but you're right. I can just do that with an A-link. I don't know why I didn't think about that. href equals
Yeah, you can make a button.
but.html. Yeah, I could make it a button.
I think I know how actually.
But
You
I'm
should just
lazy
put a
right
button
now.
inside instead of text for the href.
But.html, and
What am
then
I saying? That's
other
it.
page.
Okay.
Is there different levels of A that I can make it bigger?
You can customize the A, like give an ID or class if you wanted. Or you can
Okay,
style it directly in that A, like how you did the image. So go to the A tag.
I'm gonna make a div actually. Um,
The
I'm
div
just gonna.
won't make the text bigger.
Well, I know the div won't make the text bigger, but it'll make it into a box that I can have around it.
You forgot to close the
Oh,
first
I
one.
didn't close this other one. That's why. Damn it.
There you go.
This is why I don't like HTML.
It's not that bad.
It's really not, but my brain still needs to adjust to it. Fuck. Fucking stupid.
Okay, so
Uh,
instead of the other page text, try adding a button inside it instead. I think that should work. That could work. Because you can make images work like that.
hold on. What? Huh?
Oh, that's what it stands for. Okay, thank you. Yeah,
What
I
is
didn't know that.
Huh? Huh? What?
Anchor.
Anchor?
Big Legs just said so. Yeah.
Oh, an A-link is short for anchor, like an anchor to another page. Oh, okay. That's
So instead of other page,
stupid
try
fucking
putting a
logic, but
button.
okay. Huh?
A button.
Make it a button
You
instead?
put button inside the A. No. Inside
Oh.
the A.
So do type equals button?
No. Like I'm saying, put a button element inside the A element.
God damn, give me a moment. I keep fucking seeing the wrong section. So
Yeah, button
like
there.
this.
Yes.
And then do I need to close it off like right here?
Yes. I think that should do what you're trying to do. Put type equals button
Where would I put that?
inside the button.
I'm gonna do it in the first one.
Yes.
That equals button.
And
Okay.
I think that should work. We'll find out.
All right. So let's go here. All right, we have other page option. Okay, great. This does kind of what I want it to do. I'm gonna change the width of this image.
Copy the button so you just have it, the link button on the other page since you want it to go back.
Huh?
Copy the link button.
Oh yeah, I can do that. I wasn't thinking about that. I was just thinking about changing that. So we're gonna put that down here since I'm probably gonna add other
And
stuff.
just change it to
Back
index.html too.
page. Index.html. Cool. So yeah, I want to change the size of this image. So it's
Do you want the background to be that image, or do you just want the image to be big?
I don't know if I want the background to be the no, I don't want the background to be that image. No.
Okay, then yeah, just set the size.
Um,
You can do percentage.
what was it? Position.
You have to put in the style.
Oh, I have to put it in style?
Yes.
I highly suggest learning to hold shift when pressing arrow keys to highlight in that fiasco where VS Code auto completes regular.
I agree with that too.
That's a good idea. Hmm.
You just
Alright.
kind of have to get used to the VS Code fuckery.
I haven't coded in so long with VS Code. Um,
You got used to it.
I know. That's why I want to do more coding streams of building an OS and all this other shit. I
Look in your
wanted,
first image you have there, the way you have it.
yeah, that's what I'm doing. Okay. Why is my brain short circuiting again? Alt, well, fuck. Width. Okay, width equal. I don't think I want it 600. I want it longer. Width equals. Width equals. Let's make it 2000. No, 1000. Control S.
I think you could do percent there. I'm
Can
not sure about
for padding, do I have to do that in the style or can I do that in the image? Is that style?
style.
Style, okay.
Style, yeah.
Do I add that to body?
Where do you want the padding to be?
I kind of just want the padding to be the entire surrounding part of the website. Like, how do I explain
So
this?
inside the
Wait,
body then, right? Like that
why did I close
the
this?
entire
What?
page?
Give me a moment.
Yeah, you put the padding in the body, if I'm understanding correctly.
I guess I'm just gonna open butt.html because that's not relevant. Um, oh, it already kind of does that actually.
It has that by default.
But actually, I think that might be enough. I think I like the default as is. I'm gonna add a break to that. Who is adding me? Um, Raise. Oh my god, it's yeah. Oh, cute. All right. You can add style to individual HTML tags to add au revoir. Au revoir.
I
All right.
saw
So
that. I saw that too this time.
I've given everyone schizophrenic paranoia to start checking for them now. Uh, because I don't want the padding just to be for the image. I want it to be for thing. I'm gonna make it 5%. No, 5% seems excessive.
5%'s a lot.
3%. Nah, 2%.
Just doing pixel.
Oh, 2% is a lot, but I think I actually kind of like that amount. So width, I'm going to make, I think 2.5K. Maybe that's enough.
You might be able to do percentage there too.
You're right. I could do a percentage. That
You
sounds
try the
way smarter.
percentage.
That sounds much smarter. What would my percentage be? Huh?
Percent.
If I do 100%?
I think it'll overlap because of the little padding space.
Oh, that's perfect. That's actually exactly what I wanted. Um, wow, this way you can really see how fucking terrible this looks. Back page, we're gonna make that button a bit bigger. How do I change the button size?
Think style.
Oh wait, I can just do width and height. Width equals 200. Height equals 300? Try that. Let's see if that works. It'll probably work. No, it does not work.
Do in a style.
Have to do it in style? Got it.
And you also put it in the closing. That doesn't work in the closing.
So if I put it in the opening,
And you probably want to do it in button then, not the
that's a
AD.
smart idea.
Okay, try putting it in style.
Actually, okay, yeah, I don't think that changed it. So changing it in the style, would I have to give it an ID?
No, you can just do it on all buttons, or you can just do it the inline style, like we've done with the image tag.
This is inline style, right?
Okay, go to back to index.html. There, the style for the positioning. An
Uh,
image.
okay,
That is
style.
inline styling. Pretty sure that's what it's called.
Okay, got it. I'll do that. I don't have the chat open. Don't put it there. Okay, your friend also pointed it out. I explained inline style in the previous chat message. That doesn't mean I'll remember it.
It gets worse, don't worry.
I don't know if you're talking to him or me.
Him.
That's true. Yeah, he knows me personally. That's why I trusted him to do this, because I
It
know
was
he
his
can.
mistake.
Yeah, I know he can deal with me to a certain extent. Position? No, it
He
was
used
style. It
to
was style.
ask me how to like fix a coding assignment, and he just missed one thing. He
Yeah,
always forgets small stuff.
position, relative.
You don't have to set the position if you're just trying to set the size.
Oh,
You can just do width and height there.
oh, I can do
No,
size.
I don't think that's an attribute.
30%. Let's try that. See what happens.
What is the size one?
Does fuck
Amplitude.
all.
It's for something else.
Oh, but I can still
You gotta do
put
width.
it there. Okay.
Maybe that'll
Oh,
work.
I see the problem. I see the
And
problem.
doing equals.
Oh no. Just because something was explained to me doesn't mean that I will remember it.
Why want to do pixels there?
I want to add pixels specifically.
That'll fix it. Pressing buttons. That does not fix anything. Okay, cool. What's the issue here?
Only that I'm fucking stupid. I would argue that that's probably the issue.
You just set the width on this one.
Okay. Teeth's just sitting
Oh,
in
maybe that's
call.
why.
What is why?
On this one, it says you have to use font size.
Use font size? That would make sense. Large. Let's see what that does. Probably what I want too.
You can also increase the margin or
It is what I
padding.
wanted.
You can also increase the margin and padding if you just want more space around the actual text.
I don't
That
think
would
that's
also
really what
make
I
the button
want.
bigger.
Actually, I think I'm sitting in a call in case you want to join me. I'm also lonely. There. Won't you help a lonely boy be less lonely? That sounds like something that like Epstein would make someone say.
Help a boy out.
I can easily imagine that as a South Park bit, like, won't you help a boy out? We want a break. I'm actually gonna put it. Okay, I strike that previous message. Yeah. BR? Yes, BR. Or Royale.
What are you trying to do?
Hmm, weird. Isn't the break supposed to add a new line?
Yes, it is on a new line.
Why is it not? Oh, I see the issue then. Okay, what else do I want to add to this? I mostly wanted to make it a blog, but now that I know that that requires a bit more effort, that's going to be a different time thing.
It's
Uh,
not terribly complicated.
it's
It's just
not. That doesn't mean I want to do it right now.
it's a lot of front end. And how are you enjoying the front end so far? Because it's just messing with a bunch of different numbers and spacing.
I'm realizing why people don't go full stack. As fucking simple as this is. Actually, can I add all of the stuff into one backend script? Just make it all
Eventually,
pull. Can I make every front-facing web page pull from the same backend script?
mm, from what I'm thinking of what you're saying, yes. Because you can create elements from the backend.
Oh yeah, but like for index.html, can I have functions that are specific to that and specific to but in the back.js?
Yeah.
Okay, so I can just use it for everything.
Yeah,
Back.js is just a singular.
yeah, you
I don't
can.
need any other backend files.
No, I don't think so. I think some people do different ones for like organization and like something about permissions, if I remember correctly.
Oh, that would make sense. Yeah. If I
Because
wanted to
like
make it a blog, then I can't just have everyone.
because like sometimes you don't want this
Mm.
one page being able to access entire databases, stuff like that.
Yeah, okay, no, now I understand the problem with that. I did say that I wanted to understand some of its security, so I guess that makes sense. But okay. So what else should I add? What else can we have classes do besides turn something blue?
Uh, anything style. Because classes, it's like if you want to change something across entirety. So let's say you have a bunch of different buttons on your page, but you only want to affect buttons labeled like redirect. So if you want to change them all at once, you can change them all at once by changing the class style. So then you don't have to go individually.
So I can make them all redirect to one thing, or I can make them all turn into redirects.
I'm saying like if they're all red, if you just change in the style, you can make them all blue.
Oh, okay. That's all
But
that
you can
classes
also
do?
make them all affected. You can put them into a list in JavaScript by searching for their class. Pretty sure get element by class does that. I need to remember on that though.
CSS is very powerful. I can share my screen and show you something I did. Well, I know CSS is powerful, but like, I don't really want to use CSS yet. That is a problem for later me.
There are a lot of things that help you in web development though.
Yeah, 'cause it's the one thing where like no one wants to do it, hence why there's so many tools for doing things.
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay. So in classes, I meant classes, get element by class name. You're using CSS, that's in the style tag. Okay. I just find it really funny. The average view duration is 5 minutes and 5 seconds.
I heard 5.
I said the average view duration is 5 minutes and 5 seconds for the whole stream. We've had 42 views. So on average, each
There's a
person.
reason why a lot of these videos are cut down and edited to be like funny.
I know. And also, they usually already know how to code and are just building a tool or something that they have already planned out. Me, I'm fucking freeballing it. Or like
I'm trying to
wheelchair
dig in
freeballing it where I
dust
keep
in my
falling over.
memory. I have a god awful memory, and you asked me.
Yes, I know. So what else can I add to this section? Because the thing is, I do want to make this website for my channel. Hence why I wanted to, but also like for a tech blog where I can talk about the shit I make so that I have some sort of like resume-ish. But then this would also be a website that I can put onto my GitHub.
Or what you want to do with
You're cutting out real bad, man. Hey? Hello? 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 I think his mic broke again. That is a certainly a problem for him.
I see. That's why everything went silent.
You disconnect.
Yep. Because my
So
cord is too loose. Well, the port is, I guess.
dumbass, stupid.
Oh my god.
All right. So what were you saying? You literally cut off when you started speaking.
You asked earlier, different position stuff. There's 5 of them. I said that earlier.
Yeah,
Static,
I remember.
relative, fixed, absolute, sticky. Sticky is basically like when you're scrolling on a page, it'll stick to the top or bottom.
Oh, like those shitty ads.
Yeah. Pretty
Can
sure
I
6 of
run
them.
ads on my web page?
No. You can't.
That's what I'm gonna do.
Yeah, not my problem. Fixed
'Cause
just, I'm sure you can imagine, it's just fixed onto a specific point. Like of the viewport.
okay.
Absolute always stays in one place, it will not be moved. Relative is position relative to its normal position. That's pretty obvious.
You could just do like a small banner ad.
Static is just pushed by the flow of the page. Yeah, I think that's all.
Yeah, theoretically you could put ads in your web page, but I think that would require some quite complicated code depending on what you mean by ads. I just mean by like Google Ads, because Google Ads system is automated. They do everything.
It should be not too bad. You can probably find an easy tutorial online.
Google Ads probably has documentation.
Yeah.
Google Ads, because I know they do it through the same platform that YouTube pays out through. AdSense. AdSense is the same platform that websites and web ads go through, I believe.
Yep. That's what it's saying. Use AdSense.
Yeah. So it is probably not hard to do. Okay, wait. At Google AdSense ads on website.
Like most of the stuff I've said is just agreement with what Big Leg said, or just like in different timestamps of us saying it.
That's yeah.
They say better though. Because they clearly remember more than I do.
Discover what's possible with Microsoft advertising. Enter your website URL to see how ads would look across Microsoft advertising networks. Hmm. Google AdSense, I already have that account for that. That it goes to my tax information. Can make like a penny off of this website. Still. That'd probably be a different thing.
Don't expect support from Mush. Mush only supports his cats. And golf girls.
Yeah. I know he doesn't want me agreeing with him, but he's right.
He has a problem.
Only a few. She was hot and I don't regret that. Fuck off. All right. What else can I do? What? I can add my channel to it. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. So we did ahref equals, and I just use my YouTube channel, which should be here somewhere. For those who don't know, you can hold multiple things in your clipboard. If you just do Windows plus V, then you can show up to like 20 to 25 of the last things that you copied. So, yeah. I learned that, and now every stream I just immediately do that so I don't have to manually go to Discord to add another indite. Windows plus V, I know this one. Yeah, I love Windows plus V. Ever since I learned about it, I've been using it constantly. Windows plus V is my hero. I don't need to do much more for this, do I? Since it's an href and it's into a link. That's but we want the channel link ahref. Oh, I just need to add another A section onto it. Okay. A. Uh, press YouTube channel. Is there a way that I can add a small YouTube logo that goes right next to this? Oh yeah, wait, if I just break, hold on, wait, if I break here, did that wrong? If I break here and then I do image source, uh, for a big project with Andrew Games 483 on the next videos, whenever it comes out, I need to use stuff with similar NVT/commands, so I have them pinned on my clipboard history. That's pretty smart, actually. I didn't know that you could use it through I guess that does make sense that you could use it through Minecraft.
You could also just make the actual YouTube image redirect to your channel the way we did the button.
Yeah, that's what I'm making the URL do. I'm just adding the tiny YouTube logo right next to it.
No, but I'm saying you can make the image also do that too.
Wait, how?
Just put the image inside the A tag, like the button.
So,
Just take the image.
what I do?
Okay, you see where it says YouTube channel?
Yes.
Just right in that section, you just put an image tag. Do image, and then you just put an image there. I'm not sure how to word it differently. Yeah, you just do it in there.
Can you say it in Tagalog? I might figure it out then.
Ugh.
Yeah. So if we do that, and then we reset. Hmm. Maybe I shouldn't have trusted a Korean image address. Okay, we're gonna change image address to this one.
Yeah, pretty much. That's essentially how coding is. Once you get the hang of it, it's pretty simple.
Please be a fucking transparent PNG.
Yes.
Oh wait, no, I didn't. I was doing control left instead of shift left. Control S. Oh wait, I don't have index saved. Control S, even though I don't really think I did that much on it. Fuck, it's still right. YouTube logo, transparent background. Okay, copy image address, may as well. Oh yeah, I need to I think a lot of coding is about figuring out a mental framework for how things work. You can load it as a smaller size. Oh boy, .jpeg dash 2000 means something. Does it?
That was on your other one. The other link you had.
Oh. Boy. I just need to find something transparent. There we go. That's much better.
Uh,
I just gotta then do style equals
you don't
width.
need to do that on
Oh,
on images. You can just do width, remember?
oh, right. Width equals. We're gonna make that like maybe 100 pixels, and we're gonna do. Let's do height 100 pixels too. Let's just see where that is as a reference, and then we can go smaller if we want. I understand why you constantly complained about this class. This fucking sucks.
It's not that bad. It's more of the Mexican who complained. He generally found it like life threatening.
I'm gonna change the.
Honestly, my issue is more of just helping other people.
Oh no, I want font size. Well, now aren't you glad that you're doing that on a stream?
No,
Oh, this is not what I wanted. How do I make this up? How do I make this
which
go
one up?
up? I'll go back to the web page. I want this to go like slightly up here.
Slightly up there.
Yeah. Oh wait, no, I can just do the relative position, right? If I just put it in a div.
You could. You could
Oh,
just
then the
push
problem
it.
is that I'm doing that to the image too, though. I'm gonna put the. I'm gonna remove the image.
I'm
I'm gonna move it out.
pretty sure there's another like different thing that's similar to a div called a span. It's another container like a div, but it doesn't make a new block. An inline.
So, do I need to have the div given an ID or no? Right? I don't need it to be given an ID.
What is?
I did it wrong, didn't I?
What are you doing here?
I do need to give it an ID. I'm stupid.
I'm not seeing your vision right now.
I'm gonna start counting things I wanted to say but never did because of the time I managed to somewhat type out the thing you moved very far on. I was going on to mention spans a while ago. Okay. ID equals
I have
1.
no idea what your vision is, but you know what? You do you.
Hashtag 1. I don't know. We're gonna figure that out together.
So another thing you can do, similar to the JavaScript, you can make files for the style sheet, and that'll make it universal. But I don't think that's an issue for you right now, since you're just using this as like a practice page.
I don't know why I did that. That's stupid. Um, Position. Oh, no, wait. This is also in style, so position, relative, uh, bottom
Hmm.
20%.
What did you do?
Quite sure. We're gonna figure that out together.
I looked up for a second. All the colors are not how they're supposed to
Well,
be.
fuck. That's different. Oh, I
What did
put
you
it in.
find?
It's still in a div. Right. Never mind. Because that sets it into a different block. I forgot. I'm dumb.
You might want to use a span instead of a div.
I don't think I'm gonna use any of those because I don't want them to be
Why are
apart
the
from one.
colors all?
Don't worry about it.
That's why.
Yo, hey,
That's
welcome to the
not why.
stream. Mohammed,
Delete the
hello?
hashtag.
I did. Oh, I did not.
There. You didn't
Uh,
close that one. That's why the colors are all off.
we're gonna do that. What if I tried top instead of bottom? Relative. Add in the style for the YouTube image. Float left. Okay.
Also, you have an extra image you can delete. Now you need to make it style, like you said.
Correct.
This could be a long journey for you.
Hmm. We're gonna put this in a div. Add in the style for the YouTube site. Oh, okay, I already did that. Fuck. Hey, maybe I actually want this going further. On top 40%? Maybe that'll do what I want it to. That's not what I wanted it to do. Put the YouTube channel link in a div instead. Well, the problem is that when I put the YouTube channel link in a div instead, that it goes underneath the YouTube channel
Well, he's
thing.
saying put both in a div rather than just one.
Oh, yeah, that's true. Wait, why do I have an extra image source?
I mentioned that earlier.
That doesn't mean I was listening. Oh,
Lord.
you misread? I probably did. That's not uncommon.
You're misreading, mishearing. Let's go to retirement home at this point.
Too young, like the
Thought you
nurse
mind.
said. Oh, I know. I tried. Fuck, why is the back page so high? Why is the back
What
button?
happened?
So the back button is like here. This div is supposed to be here. Doesn't make any
Save.
sense. Yeah, I did save. Everything's saved. So,
No.
um,
You could make a break, or you could try to give it positioning. Something's going on with the positioning.
I had a,
Clearly.
or I don't think that.
This is just going with it for some reason.
Hmm. Still on the same level as the YouTube icon. I don't want that. Um, I'm gonna do position relative
I think
top
you can also give the div a margin.
50%.
Try and fix that too. If you want to try that.
Could do
There's
that.
a bunch of different ways you
We'll
can
see
try to
if that
fix it.
works. That did fucking nothing. All right, yeah, let's give that div a margin then. How do I do that?
Same way you've done everything else. You can just put an inline style in the div.
How do I do that? Inline or
Go to the
margin?
div. You're putting a margin
Margin.
on the date tag instead of the div.
No, I know. Oh, I need to put it in the div.
I thought that's what the plan was.
Margin. Oh, percent.
40%. Hmm.
It's gone.
Well,
Fuck. Let's go like 3%.
I don't know why you went all the way with 40%.
Simple answer is because I didn't think it would do that. Ugh. All right, that's closer to what I want. I'm gonna try and give that link a margin. Instead of I go margin pop 2.5%. Does it take floats? It does take floats. Damn it. I'm actually not familiar with CSS, so I don't understand its behavior, but if you want the button to be underneath, I think you should put the button style clear left and no margin.
Well, that's interesting. I was never taught to clear left. I'm looking at it right now.
Is it useful?
Oh, wow. Yeah, that's a useful one. You should.
Use that?
It's,
All right.
it's mainly with floating elements, I think. That's what it
So
looks
put
like.
that in the div style instead of margin. Clear. Oh, wait. I did that wrong. Did that wrong too. Clear
Left.
left. See what this does.
I think that's what you meant. Should be no change. Yeah.
Oh yeah, no, that looks slightly nicer. Okay, what did you send me? Okay, you sent me a different thing. Now how do I that YouTube channel link right? Okay, at first I want to make that YouTube channel link bigger. I'm gonna make the font size bigger. Font size. Wait, I can just do a number. 23. Hmm, 40. Get something a bit more noticeable. 400. Huh, it's not changing.
What's going on?
Why is the font size not changing no matter what number I put into it?
Let's see here.
Font weight?
No, weight is just like if it's bold.
Hmm.
What did you do the first time? I did not see.
23px? Oh, did I must have done that. Oh, because I didn't specify px. Hold on, what if I go 40px? I thought it was taking that as px and not specify.
That's why. Okay.
Fuck, that's the wrong thing.
Why did you do it on there? That says back page.
I'm a bit stupid. Like, oh, I wonder why it's not popping up there. Okay, stop. Oh, font size. We're gonna go 40px. Thank you, Faraz. Fuck.
Well, it
That's
is bigger.
what I want. It's still not like, it's still not centered. I want it to be slightly
There's a way to
lower.
do that. I remember having to deal with that too.
I want it slightly lower. How much is that to ask for?
Try text align center. I don't know. Margin. Yeah,
Text
text align center.
line center.
You can try that. Maybe it'll work. Did not do anything. Wonderful.
Nope.
Cause
I have it in the style section. I don't understand why it's not styling. Typically, in my experience with CSS, it tends to automatically assume you use PX, but not in every case. Okay, yeah. Because it was assuming we were using PX earlier. It's not what text align does. Okay. Then
my bad.
how do I move that one text down like slightly?
Center line.
Center line?
Vertical. There we go. There is line height.
Line height? Line height normal?
You can put numbers for line height too.
I could, but let's just see if anything happens. Ain't nothing.
Or like 1.5. Oh no.
Accidentally opened Minecraft.
Hey, it's a Minecraft stream now.
No! I don't want to do Minecraft modding. Oh yeah,
It's sleeping.
that did it. That did it. That did it. That did it. Let's do 2.5. This is probably closer to what I want. Yay!
Hooray. I mixed that up.
Alright,
Next line
nice.
is which that's just centering it.
Line height is like the height of the text, including the height in between lines. Gotcha.
My bad.
Not the worst. Alright. We've got a pretty, let's be honest, bad website, but I think this is a lot of progress for,
You'll figure it out.
what is this, 3 hours?
This is actually very little progress.
Changes. Alright, next time we're probably going to focus on back end.
This should not have taken as long actually. This was very simple when it was made. Just I do not remember most of it.
We're also explaining it to someone who does not know HTML.
That's another thing, yeah.
So I'm going to try and figure out how to make this into a blog. Like this section specifically. This is probably going to end up being my main page. This one was just kind of a page I was dicking around with. But yeah. I bet it wouldn't have taken as long as I was in VC. It's not about how long the journey took. It's about the journey. Oh, who joined the server?
God.
Oh,
Get to the
Faraz.
Oregon Trail.
Hey, we should recode the Oregon Trail together.
No.
Yes.
I didn't even. This is not what I had in mind when you asked me if I wanted to join your stream. I was like, oh, okay, I'll just be like chilling and I can do my own side stuff. No.
No. What do you mean your own side stuff? What did you think you were going to be doing?
I thought I could actually make a Trello or a flowchart of projects I want to make.
No, projects I want to make.
God damn it.
Hold on, wait. I'm gonna read our text exchange when I asked if you could be on the stream. Do you have class today? No. Why? Do you want to join my dev stream and yell at me in HTML? Sure, one sec. Well, the stream will be in a while. Just curious if you wanted to join. I'm down. Great. What time? And on YouTube, I'm guessing? Yeah, I'm thinking I could start in about 15 to 20 minutes. Oh yeah, I can join then. I might also do some project-related shit on the side. Gotcha. I'll be
That's what
asking for a
50,000 websites.
Gotcha. I'll be asking for a co-host that can yell at me for my HTML or web code. Christ, are you trying HTML for the first time? Yes, with zero experience and zero plan. Oh my god, I'm rusty, so I shouldn't be in too much pain. Yeah.
I was sort of right. It wasn't so painful. I just felt like the thinking monkey for most of it. Let's see if I can find that image. This one.
I know exactly which one you're talking about too. Alright. What do you Yeah. Oh no, not the image I thought. This is the image he sent me.
Yeah. That's how I felt for most of this.
Alright. Alright. What should we do next? There's something else I have to say about that YouTube channel link. Which one? Is it this one? Because here's the thing, I have kind of wanted to make an ARG out of a website, or like put in some writing projects or something that I have on here. So I think that'd be good to like practice with. But oh, yeah, because I can make this website where like I have a section with all my writing projects, and I have a section like updates on scripts or videos or just just a business-ish page. I don't know, just a web page that'd be neat, and I can add like random shit like games onto it or something. All right.
Oh Lord, I don't even want to see you try game development.
Not that bad at game development. Well, okay, coding part, yes, but that's worse.
That's the part I'm worried about.
I'll be
Well,
fine. I'll be
you can
fine.
bring in the Mexican for that because he took physics. He can do that.
he'll
That's
just
that's
he'll
not
just do
my
the
cup of tea.
he'll just do the equations. All right. What were the other projects you wanted to work on? We'll get stream feedback from your ideas. There's something else I
Stream
have to say about
feedback.
that. It'll take a minute because I can't remember the exact behavior of certain things and I need to check something first. What?
I wanted to kind of discuss it for a while with my artist, but my artist has been busy because I have class. Just like
Or
you. But I don't have
Corvus?
class on Wednesday. It's amazing.
Corvus? Is
It's
that
the
that
thing I mentioned to you before. The whole was it? Oh, what? How did I describe it? The lore book thing. An
lore
organizer.
book?
It's sort of like an organizer.
No, I
Oh
do.
my god!
No, I do not remember. Was it for a D&D thing?
No, I. I don't even want to try D&D with you guys.
You can obviously tell which class I'd be.
God, I know one of you is gonna be like a talking horse or something like that.
I know who would be the talking horse. Okay, in the code for the link to your YouTube channel, there's something I want to set the style to. I might take a minute to type out. Haven't finished testing it yet. Okay. But yeah, we could always do your projects on stream too. And then you can put them on GitHub.
I might hang myself trying to do my project. I've never done it, but I don't want to be like you and do whatever this was.
On stream. So long as it doesn't need API tokens in it, we can do it on stream. I was actually going to do a development stream a long time ago because I found a thing about like building your own Discord bot. The only problem is that you need an API key to
Yeah.
do it,
No, I
and
mess around with Discord bots.
having your API key on Discord is or on stream is not a very good idea.
Yeah.
Not the best idea.
You know, you should get a second monitor. I think that would help you out.
I do have a second monitor.
Oh, did not seem like it.
What do you mean it doesn't seem like it? You can hide the API key if you know what you're doing. Well, I know you can hide an API key, but it's like during development. Or I guess there is. I guess you could just like hide the line.
Yeah.
Yeah, you could just do that.
Or not, no, not like that, but just like there's a lot of ways.
Yeah, I guess that is true. Store the API key in a text file that you create before stream, then get your code to access that file.
That's a good
Oh,
idea.
that's smart. I was I was thinking of a way like that, but it would be where you put the API key in one. Okay, no, I'd actually exactly thought of that idea. It's just in a dumber way, where you have one like Python file or something that it just has the API key and then it calls the rest of the files.
I think this is why it was painful to have a coding class with you. You overcomplicated everything.
Like, I got the same idea as him. It's just, it's
He
worse.
would write 20 lines of code for what I would write in 5. Oh my god. If you're taking coding classes, you're probably taking Code HS. He has gone just a bunch of if statements just to get every green check mark.
No, I don't do that.
You have done that. You did do that.
Okay, I did that for one thing because it was a pain in the ass and it didn't check for randomization answers. I don't even remember what it was, but I only remember that it was like stupid and I didn't like it.
Got that about a bunch of assignments.
No, there was one assignment that was like, it was really long, so I didn't feel like doing it. That's why
He can be really good
Yandere
at
dev
like
moment,
all the
yes.
technical parts of code, but as soon as it comes to actual coding, his brain just
Yes.
shuts off.
That's the thing. I'm a generalist. My specialty is cybersecurity. You want me to like give a tech read on like trying to get into a system? I can help you with that. You want me to help with physical components? I can do some of that. You want me to code anything? Call him.
I'm not even that
Uh,
good at coding.
then don't
I can
just
be.
let
I'm
the
just
code
too
read
lazy.
it. I have my own coding issues with complications sometimes. Yeah, Yandere dev moment. Yep.
Much can confirm. I can be good at coding. I'm just too terribly lazy and bad memory.
Yeah, if he had any motivation, he would be a great coder. Like he would have a lot of cool projects by now if he actually had the fucking motivation to do it. We have had
But
like so many
video
funny
game
game ideas.
dopamine.
We have had so many funny game ideas that we just haven't done because he's been lazy. Wait, what's the name or username of the guy you're in chat with?
You can call me Nugget. That's the online name I go by.
Nugget, or I have a nickname that
Nugget
I've
Donald.
introduced him to with all my hacker friends.
Oh, God.
So
Yeah, you can use that one too, I guess.
Ray Ray.
Fucking Wendy's.
So long as we don't explain the story behind it, like it's fine. But yeah, you can call him Ray Ray. Um, yeah, I'm gonna close these real quick.
I'm not in your Discord. Should I join your Discord?
If you want to, I don't
I
really
will not
care.
be active. I might occasionally just
Yeah,
cancel.
El Mexican is in it, but he's not very active.
The thing's for the better. He's not active.
It's for the better he's not active. I actually kicked him out once.
He's one of the big reasons why he doesn't do
This-
group streams with us.
yeah, he is one of the reasons I don't do group streams. Who said something? Oh, um, Velian. I don't know if you're in the stream. You're probably not. You're probably just in the Discord. Automod uh got angry at you for saying whore. I have no problem with the word, but it's on the block list, so I don't know. I don't know why wank is on the block list. I'm gonna take that off.
Wank is funny. A
I know
funny
wank
sounding
is
word.
funny. I don't know why that's on the block list. I don't think I put that there. I'm gonna have to mess with the auto mod later. But yeah, I wanted to do a Discord bot. I didn't even know what I wanted it to do. It's just I didn't stream doing it because API, and I didn't think of those. Join the Discord nugget that way I can use you to relay my messages to Moosh without typing. Well, the problem is that he's in the call as well. Look at the teaser. Yeah, I see the teaser. I saw it, but wait, were you the one who posted it?
Holy shit.
What? Ray Ray or some shit that you named
Let me
yourself?
verify. I
Huh?
have to read these rules.
No, you just have to press
18,
the.
yeah.
You just have
Notice,
to
or
press
not
the thing.
18. What the fuck? I can't read 13.
Yeah.
Notice W.
Are you a minor, Ray Ray?
Yeah. I'm like 6. I work in a Chinese sweatshop.
Hold on. Was I ever real wanted me to check something? They sent a second message? No, they just retracted it.
Okay, cool.
Where's the teaser? Actually, no, this warrants a teaser. Those who remain after the world ends. Infel 2 scripts leaked. What? Mori
What is that
console?
symbol in front of games? Like from I'm seeing it as a penis. What is that?
Huh? What? Where? What?
The games channel. What is that emoji?
Games? The joystick.
Oh.
Yeah, Equilibrium has custom emojis or some shit, and it's like a custom Atari controller. I don't think it's a.
I did not see that as a joystick.
Yeah,
It's like,
at
it's
one
like, is that a
point,
middle finger, a dildo? Which one is that?
I started changing out the emojis in them, but I got really lazy, so I just didn't do games. And I'm starting to think maybe I should. Is that all that the teaser is? The Steps of Naid? I can't open any of this shit except for Fabric of Fractals.
Oh. They said like those who remain or something like that, and it together with no spaces, it made a
Those
whole
who
thing just
remained
go out
after the
black.
world's end got detected by the system.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what it was.
Ah, shit.
It's a horror, even though it wasn't intentional.
Oh, yeah, I forgot it doesn't. Nope, there are a couple layers to it, mate. Wait, are they talking to me? Hey, I saw that. You deleted that in Discord. I saw that shit. I'm not that blind. Can't remember what it was, even though I just said it. But go a couple layers deep?
What?
I don't know. That's what they said.
What are the names for this stuff? Why are they named these things?
Ariamus
The
Well and
context.
Bottom of the Catacombs.
This like history or geography stuff I don't know about.
No, Equilibrium wanted like a crypt theme. Well, no, I said I kind of wanted like a crypt or graveyard theme, and then he went like over the top with the names, and I'm like, no one
Oh.
knows that's the general channel. So that's why
That's exactly why I asked. I was like, where the fuck is the general channel?
that's why there's a little title on it that says this is the general channel, but I think I'm gonna change it. So many people are
Oh, it's in the
complaining about it.
description.
Yeah, I'm gonna change that real
I
quick.
forget that they have descriptions.
General. I'm changing that. So many people have complained about it, like not
What's the bottom of the
understanding.
catacombs? I just see a cat bot.
Yeah, that it was a second chat channel, and then someone made me add a catbot, and I thought that was funny.
What's this?
And catbot's been broken ever since, so it's just kind of stuck in that channel. Well, it's not broken. I put it there, but I don't know how. Yeah, just that.
Ooh, complicated stuff.
Oh wait, I just
Really
realized.
big extent. I
Yeah, I
haven't
didn't.
seen dominant baseline.
Oops, forgot to put
I
in
see.
style equals dominant baseline middle position relative top calc
I
num
didn't know you
divided by
had to put
2.
calc. For me, when I did it, I never had to put calc. I just put the actual function and it still worked. Wait, you can do math in them too.
Mm.
EM was like something relating to the screen size, right? Something like that, viewport.
Why is it num divided by 2 minus 0.5 em? Put the height of the YouTube icon PNG where the num is. Oh, okay. So gotcha.
Yeah, that's actually a good way to do it. That's like very specific and that's relating more to like responsive and dynamic websites rather than static.
It's gonna stay static for a while.
That's where it gets more complicated. God, I remember in class when I would have to just individually tweak numbers like that just to find something perfect. That part was not so fun.
Then it doesn't look good if you just load it a slightly different way.
Yeah.
I want to try and do this. Oh wait, this actually does not.
Yeah, you got it. Good job.
I like how this looks.
Who is it? Equilibrium law.
They're my moderator.
Oh.
Um. Oh, are they messaging you?
No, I'm just wondering.
Oh,
I don't know
yeah,
half these people. Then again, I never really paid attention to your YouTube life.
yeah. These aren't just sentences. Followers of the triple-jawed skeleton. I only see one jaw. I see two.
It's a measurement of font size. Oh, what am I thinking of then? What is units of measurement?
Who's the fuck is the triple-jawed skeleton?
HTML, CSS units.
Your profile picture is two skeleton
Oh yeah,
jaws.
it is font size. Okay, you're right.
I'm confused. All right. I think I'm gonna make this one slightly shorter.
Oh, VH and
The
VW
image
and VMin. Okay, that's what I was thinking.
height equals. We're gonna do
Oh, hey, it's a
height
PHP
equals
page. That's interesting.
90%. I don't know how much that'll increase to
I
or
wonder if there's any point
decrease.
of me getting back into PHP. I mean, I guess it's used.
Hmm?
wondering if I should still keep up what I knew about PHP.
I wish I took web development. But I
It's
also
not as
am glad
bad
I
as
didn't.
the Mexican describes it as.
Yeah, almost nothing is.
Listen, the first teacher, really easy, and you even got to learn a bit of Photoshop. When a new teacher came in, it got a little harder, but honestly, as
Yeah,
long
my
as you
brother
just
my
look
brother
like
has
you knew
that
what you're
teacher
doing.
now.
Oh, he's. Oh, I don't think your brother's gonna do good in that class.
Yeah, I bought him a book on Python and I told him that I would help him with the code if he needed.
You might get a marker thrown at him.
Oh, I forgot he does that.
Yeah. He really wants to hit kids, but it's not allowed.
Why can't I change the height of this? I'm getting too into the biology of a god. I really should be going find what sentences are if you'd like. Find what the sentences are if you'd like.
Is this just like is that from the ARG? That's
I
like
don't know
in your
yet.
chat.
Yes, kind of. They're related. It's like, was I ever real is
Yeah, they
friends with
do
this
have two.
person?
He does have 2% symbols.
Oh, I wasn't paying attention to this. M is a measurement of font size. Oh, so 2M is twice the font size. Gotcha, gotcha, gotcha. You have 2% sense? Do I? I don't want
You
to talk
do.
about it. The thing is, I thought that didn't have that a moment ago when I was testing this. Yeah, no, 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 it doesn't. That wasn't affecting it.
Wait, what are you trying to do? You're
I'm
trying to
trying to
change the
change the
banner
height.
size?
Yeah, I'm trying to change the banner height.
Oh, I think it might be because it's like fixed to the widthing 100%. Maybe the
Oh.
body is. Maybe you need to set the body height percentage as 100%. I don't remember. I feel like this problem came up before in class.
So body height percentage?
No, no, no. I'm saying separately. The body needs to have its own height increased. Because I don't think the body height increases unless like. No, that doesn't make sense. Not sure. Yeah, not sure. Maybe Big Lens
Eh,
has a solution for this one.
it'll be a problem for a later time.
Ugh, wonderful.
A later me. I'm a little sad King Cardi didn't come back because I'm still fucking confused on what his message of is. Do you prefer a foot massage or head massage?
Is there anyone in your Twitch? I'm in your Twitch.
No. Why don't you use a separate .css file? Because I don't know CSS yet.
You've been using CSS.
I have been.
Yes. Me and Big Lens said this earlier. All styling is all the styling you've been doing is CSS.
Oh,
Uh, what part of your brain specifically chooses these things?
the one that doesn't think. Yeah, just wait until I try to do a game development stream. That'll be a time and a half. Ray, do you want to finally do that game development idea on stream that we had? We have,
it, seems,
both of us have Wednesdays free.
it seems a bit ambitious, don't you think?
The RPG, no.
All right. I mean, I'm down.
We can always do a smaller thing as a practice too.
I think we should start with something smaller.
VH is short for
Keep saying
viewport
these.
height, and VW is short for viewport width. The way percent works is kind of complicated from my experience. If you want the size to be relative to the proportions of the screen, you could do 40 VH instead of 40%.
That's what it was. Okay. Yeah.
Would that go into height then? I think that would, if that goes into height. So we go
Yes.
height
View height. So it
equals,
should be height.
so 40 VH.
Yes. What he's saying.
Okay.
I don't think it should
I
be that
think
small.
40 is a bit much. Who
It's a little
messaged me on
weird why
Discord?
40 is that small.
Yeah. Hold on, wait. Someone sent something in the Discord. Oh, the missing sentences. Yeah, I remember these ones. How did you find me? I feel like I'm going insane. Yeah, I remember those sentences. The ghoul. That's not the teaser I meant. Check the other pages. I hope that doesn't sound too demanding. I just don't feel like checking it since I'm in stream. Yeah, wait, I just realized the channel name changed. How long has it been that way? 5 minutes ago. Equilibrium's probably going to be upset, but also confusing. So 40, what if I change it to like 4? Okay. Smaller number, not good. So we need bigger number. Let's go 200 VH.
Really? Oh, that's interesting. I did not know it was like that.
Or is it going to be overly blown? No, okay, wait, 400 isn't enough. Oh no, 200 isn't enough. Maybe 400 would actually be enough. No, let's go 500 and then I'll lower it from there if I want. I think
Look
500
at
should be good
Bigluck's
enough.
message. He's saying that since it can only be accessed from a CSS thing, it's probably not interpreting as it should be.
Still, I actually like this. This is actually exactly what I wanted. So,
I guess that works.
whatever it is, because I think I tried pixels earlier and it wasn't working, so. Or I could be fucking lying to myself. That's very possible. Moosh? Yes? Yeah? It's just reading it as pixels. See above. Yeah, I know. I saw that. Yeah. It's just earlier. I think I had it read as pixels and it wasn't, so I must have just been doing it wrong. Anastasia, Volume 1, Wrath. Wait, hold on. We're gonna do this shit live. Anastasia. Anastasia, Volume 1?
This is interesting.
Tomorrow song. Tomorrow's? Tomorrow song? Anastasia or Anastasia? What does the word Anastasia mean again? Anastasia.
I don't know if it stands for anything, but I know it's
No, I think it means something in like mythos or
yeah, in
something.
Myth it has meaning.
Oh, this is Anastasia as a character. I'm fucking stupid.
Oh, wonderful.
Okay, yeah, apparently it's just a name. I don't find a word associated with it. Look up International Phonetic Alphabet. Okay, I'm gonna put this. Okay, so this stream is kind of changed slightly. So, okay, wait. I want to use an example because there's a website that. Oh, the fat electrician. I want his website. How does he do it? So this is the way he does it.
That is actually not hard to make.
Well, I know
Oh, he
it's
has
not
some responsive
difficult.
stuff. It looks like.
Hmm?
It looks
What?
like it was a little responsive. Hold on, let me look at it myself. Also, look at your stream chat.
Look at my stream chat. I'm starting a stopwatch to count how long it takes you to see my previous message now. Instead, you need to set style height to 40 VH. But no, I like the way it is. Like, and I don't care if it's wrong. I like this one. So yeah, I understand that
That's what he's using.
I
Okay.
can fix it, but
Okay. Let me show you one more thing. Go back to your code.
Yeah. Then you can remove the VH from height. Oh yeah, I mean I could, but eh.
Let's see here. Where should that be done?
So if I just set it to 500, then good. Yeah, all right. The 1 byte of storage I saved on that file. Yippee. Yeah.
Go to index. Let me see if you can do that on something over there.
Forgot how many teasers I made. Oh my goodness, there's more images. The prophecy had spoken of their wanderer. This one specifically, there's at least 1,000 teasers to go through. Oh my goodness. There's so many teasers they're finding. I'll leave that to Sopix and I'll deal with that later. Okay. How many more fucking pictures are they gonna find? Alright.
Go to index. I want to show
Oh,
you something
500,
else
2
you can do.
bytes. Go to where? Index?
Yeah, I think you have something.
Yeah, the
Okay,
Fat
I guess we'll
Electricians
just make something new. Okay. Make a new like word, like a new p tag somewhere.
make a new ID tag?
P tag paragraph.
Oh, and make a new P tag, got it.
It's also something you should know. And give it an ID.
It would conflict, so I'm gonna do let's just name it 3, right?
Put whatever there. Okay, cool. Now go up to the style.
Sure, give me a moment. The style up here?
At the top, yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Now do
So
#3.
it doesn't matter where it's placed, right?
No. :hover. Curly
That's it?
braces. So this is pseudo classes. Pseudo classes mean they only like apply on certain occasion. So like for this one, for example, only when your mouse is over it, it'll have whatever style you put. So you can do like font size 50.
So do I need to put anything in it right now?
Yeah, just put font size 50, just for the demonstration purpose.
Font size, I don't want font size adjust. Font size, just do larger.
Okay, now go to the save it and go to the page.
Okay.
You might have to set the default down. All right,
Wait a
hover over
minute.
whatever there.
Okay, wait, it's back.
Yeah, see that?
Yep.
That is basically what is happening on the fat electrician part, except it's animated.
For this whole thing?
Hover over like the button at the top. Those ones, see? You see how they get bigger?
Yeah, these?
Yeah, that's going on there.
Oh, neat. So do they put this in like a div and then they have the art of the outline and the whole thing?
I mean, you can always check by Control-Shift-I.
Yeah, you're right, I can.
And yes, they are in a div.
Oh, I'm in the wrong section. I need styles, don't I?
It is a div.
What section? Where I am. Pseudo classes. There's something really
They're all
cool I
in
did with those
centers.
once. No, it's simpler. Elements. Fuck
I
is it?
think
I'm in the wrong area,
they're
aren't I?
center classes or something else. Interesting.
Layout.
This is like just an example of what you can customize your HTML. There's a lot of ways to do different stuff.
So
Oh
this is a
lord.
div, and then this is also a multi-button root.
Well, for each one, there are center classes. I've never seen that.
They're
Ooh,
boxed. Okay.
bunch of
Just a
classes.
border. You don't have to like come up with art file. You can make rounded borders with stuff with style. Okay.
Yeah. I misunderstood what you were asking then, because yeah, that does sound.
This is a pretty simple web page. I'm wondering if I should do something like this.
You could probably do something like this.
Because the thing is, oh right, I forgot he does that. Oh, what is this? Oh, this is his affiliates. Uh, Pepperbox, Patreon. Okay, it's interesting. So I could do a method like this. Oh, this is a really fucking funny history guy for those who don't know who he is. So he has like main channel link from most recent video. I don't know why this video is the one that pops up because this is definitely not his most recent Fat Files video and the most recent unsubscribed podcast video. And then he has an email form. Interesting. I don't think I would send an email section out, but I would probably want like a home with all the links, a blog section, and then maybe dumb shit. Probably if I did something like this. Yeah, this is a good. What is this? Okay, this is subscribe and this is sharing the link. Yeah, okay. When you're done coding or when the stream's over, can I show you some stuff actually? Yeah, you can send it in the Discord. You don't have to come. Oh, right already. So this is the stupid web page.
I
That's a
don't
loud ass.
appreciate the sound choice.
Yeah, it's the only .wav file I had. Actually, that's not true. I had like two other .mp3s, but they sound way too nice. About the pseudo classes. All right.
Pseudo classes are fun.
I kind of like this. This is funny. All right. So, Ray, what is our next development stream going to be?
I have no idea.
Let's work on one of your projects. Let's change it so that you're not just watching me suffer in HTML.
So it's me suffering next.
Yes.
Oh no, I'll figure out. I gotta choose one. Probably something not as complicated. I gotta
You have a
start.
coding class for your college?
Yeah, I got a coding. It hasn't started yet. College hasn't started. It starts next week, and I think my first class will be on Friday. 3 hours. 3 hours of whatever the coding teacher decides to happen.
It is what it is.
I don't know if it'll be good or not.
Probably not.
Probably better than whatever is going on at high school.
Yeah, fair
High
enough.
school's bad. High school coding was really bad. I hope you guys had better experiences.
Oh yeah, Legs is asking what programming language. Big Legs is asking what programming
Uh, Java, if I remember correctly. I don't
language.
really do a specific one. I like to do a bunch of different ones.
I
I've mainly tried popular ones, and I haven't found too much trouble in them,
I'm more comfortable with
if any,
Python.
honestly. If anything, Python is actually the one that was more difficult for me, just because I was so used to the how other languages were.
Fair enough. Um, I do have a book about real world Python project.
Yeah, I've done was it
C
C
sharp.
sharp before or
Yeah,
C
because you
plus
did
plus?
because you did a Unity project for your final.
I did do a Unity project. Can't remember if it was C sharp or C plus plus.
It was C sharp.
Yeah, C sharp. I've done that.
You showed
I've
me
done
the
most
code and
Java,
I
JavaScript. I've done
oh
PHP. I
oh
like to
Java, I'm sure
branch
I have
out.
yeah.
I haven't found one that I really struggle with. I figure them out usually. I love documentation. Documentation is God.
Hey, you want a language you can't figure out?
No, I'm not one learning brainfuck or one of those languages.
Damn it. That's exactly the one I was gonna recommend. We should write a
What?
game in brainfuck,
Why?
because it'd be funny.
Could consist of only 8 simple commands, a data pointer, and an instruction pointer.
Yep. Try Malbolge. Malbolge? Uh, Malbolge?
Oh lord. Just because I said I haven't found the language I struggle with, this was not an invitation for one.
It's a worse version of brainfuck.
Lord. What is this?
awful.
I think I'll stick to the popular languages.
All right. So, should our next stream be writing a game or your software? Because I know you wanted to do a game too, besides the
Wait, did you say something after game or
yeah. I'm learning a
because the mic
language
cut
right.
out?
I'm learning our language right now, apparently. Oh yeah, right. I forgot Sopix, not a coding language, but a language. I forgot Sopix is in the Discord right now trying to fucking decipher shit. Welcome to the infinity I've been losing myself over. Okay, it's the fucking golden spiral. Message for you. Well, this is gonna be annoying. You don't need to decode it. Just telling people where the alphabet is. Made it around the time I saw people developing alphabets. And with ours already made,
I
I
admire the
created a
ambition
message.
and the perseverance in this.
The person Malbol is so difficult it took 2 years for someone to come up with a Hello World program. Holy
Yeah, I'll
shit.
pass on that. You know, Mush, that's all you. You like challenge.
This was a challenge for me. This was
I,
the
I
challenge.
believe in you.
I don't.
If you put your mind to it, you could do it.
Yeah, and you're coming with me.
Man.
All right.
Why did the Mexican have to change to engineering? We used to have more people who did coding with us, but our classes burnt them out just because of poor teachers. Honestly, the
Uh,
coding itself wasn't that bad. It's just the teachers were so bad.
I wonder if like I could be considered one who got burnt out from it because I stopped. I didn't do much coding after I had his class.
You see,
I switched to
it's a bad.
cybersecurity.
Could you imagine having him for multiple years?
I had him for 2.
I had him for like 3, and I had other teachers. I had the robotics teacher, and he doesn't even code. I've never seen him code.
I have never seen him code either. He teaches coding, but I've never seen him actually do it. He just
He
makes
made us
other
do
students write
Carol
it
when we
for
weren't
him.
supposed to.
Yeah, he was making us use like I wouldn't even call that block coding. What would you call that? I call
Bro.
Python syntax Python-like because it, Lua GDScript, and a bunch of others use their own similar style of syntax. Yeah, I tried to
I've
learn
done a very
GDScript.
small amount of Lua, but it's the Roblox modified Lua.
I've done
Like
no
not
Lua,
that
but I've
many.
done some GDScript, and I am not good with it. Well, okay, it's not even that I can't do GDScript. It's that every time I work in Godot, I have no idea how to connect the scripts together, and every time I follow a tutorial, it's like wrong or out of date or something, and I can never find the right way to do it, or it just never works for me, and I don't understand
That's why
why.
I first went to try a hand at game dev in Roblox code because it had stuff set up.
Yeah. We should probably develop a Roblox game, shouldn't we?
Sure, but don't talk to minors.
I don't wanna. I hate people my age and younger. You know my opinion on the class that I have where it's all kids younger than me.
Yeah, you really enjoy it.
Ugh. I know for a fact that, well, I don't think I'll ever be like, I'm ending the thought there. Uh, I realize that what I was going to say to defend myself in the future is not going to have any like way that sounds not weird. So I'm just quitting that line
Honestly,
of thought.
for Roblox game dev, I think it's easier. You just really need to figure it out.
Yeah, that's why you're going to help me figure it out, right, buddy?
I don't know it.
I thought you did it. You had a class on
A little
Roblox game
bit.
development.
I have done like bare bones development.
Bare bones is all we need.
Not really, because I don't understand every bone of it either.
Well, we'll learn.
I guess that's true.
Oh,
You can't
Roblox game
argue with it.
development. That's one area I'm not very familiar with. When I said I want to show you stuff, I want to show you my screen to do it because it's a web page that I made as a book report for House
Oh,
of
that's actually
Leaves.
sick.
You made a website as a book report? That's actually pretty cool. I should do that if my teacher asks me to do anything like that.
Don't ask me. You can ask Big Legs for help. He did it already.
No, I'd win.
I already know you're gonna ask me regardless.
Yeah.
He
My
sat
teacher accepted it
behind me in
somehow.
our computer class, and every time I heard him shift in his chair, I knew he was gonna ask me something.
No. Sometimes I would ask the Mexican if he was getting beat again.
You sit like Golem, by the way.
Did you actually plan to develop an OS as an alternative to web? Yes. I made a vote in the Discord that people could choose either website or OS, and it was split 50-50. So I decided to do OS and make him join me on the stream. I actually have more of a plan for OS than I did for this. My plan was ask him. My plan for OS is like I found tutorials and a bunch of resources that are actually pretty good for OS development.
You asked someone who hasn't done this in years.
I asked someone who hasn't done it in 1 year.
No, it's more than 1 year. I think. I don't know. I've lost track of time. In
I
1
did
year
too.
and with bad memory.
Also, we need to hold this guy accountable because for the past 3 years, he's wanted to do game development over the summer, and
My bad.
never has he even coded over the summer.
I'm terribly lazy. We went over this.
Yeah, I tried to get him to code once over the summer, and we were there for like 30 minutes. He gave up, and then like he was in a different country for 2 weeks.
Okay. Listen, I don't know how you expect me to code on the computer's one of there, okay?
Well, that's why I asked you other times when you weren't there, and you were still like physically incapable of coding. Like computer science classes were interesting if you want to hear about it. Yeah, sure.
I'd be down to hear about it.
But all right. We need to hold this fucker accountable. Development
No.
streams every Wednesday.
Release me from my chains. No.
Okay, you'll be
I don't
developing
want
your
to go.
projects too. You won't be like helping me develop an OS. So we had the same teacher every year. Hey, that sound familiar? We had a
Christ.
psychology teacher as our computer professor.
No, he wasn't even the psychology teacher.
Yeah, he had a
Okay, hold on.
doctorate in psychology.
Yeah, but he
Or
never actually taught psychology.
I know, that's the dumb part.
Yeah. Or okay, hold on.
Our
Leaving you
psychology teacher
talking, but
doesn't have a
I'm just
doctorate,
gonna
I think.
explain our teacher. So our teacher first started out as a science teacher, not computer science. But at some point, I guess he decided he wanted to try his hand, so they let him. And I could actively see him learning the code as we were. And sometimes I don't like talking class because I do not care that much, especially for a teacher I do not respect that much.
Especially for the
I could
students that
see
were
him
annoying
having
as shit.
problems with code, and I could see the answer. But when another kid says, "Oh, there's no way to do it; it's broken," and he's like, "Yeah, I guess it is," I'm like, "Oh, wonderful. That's the man guiding us right now."
I
And
remember
then he
seeing
wanted
him.
us to call him doctor
Well, okay, to be fair, he does have a doctorate. He
in
does.
psychology,
Yes, but
the class he doesn't even teach.
no, he didn't want us to call him doctor. It was to everyone else who found it was the one guy who found out about it, and then he told everyone, and now everyone just calls him doctor. He never asked to be called doctor. He still introduces himself as Mister. In the first year, we learned Python, and he basically had us go through the online course. I forgot the name of it, but it was gave us a 2-question skill check. Yeah, if only we learned Python in our first year. We learned fucking nothing in our first year, I think. We failed the skill check. We had to do the entire list of exercises for the module or whatever.
Ooh.
Oh,
I hope that was person specific and not class specific because from our computer classes,
it
the
wasn't.
people
It
in
was
there were
class
not
specific.
very good. Lord, that was bad.
Dude, some of the people in there were dual enrolling into the local college for computer classes and still weren't able to do like basic JavaScript.
Also, you know the whole Carol thing? We were supposed to be learning Python that year.
Yeah. If we failed the skill check, we had to do the entire list of oh wait. Okay, that's the
Read that.
same. I know. Sometimes I forget.
You've been forgetting a lot.
I know. Where is she? I think there might have been only 1 or 2 CS teachers. We have like 3, don't we?
And honestly, they only really add up to like 1.5.
1.5. I'd say like
The only one teacher
1.
is the web design teacher.
Anyway, second year was AP Computer Science. We learned Java for it. Oh yeah, AP Computer Science is a Java curriculum. That's what we did. Me and him did
Yeah,
that
we did
last
that.
year.
I
Did you
could
get a
have taken
4
it
or 5
sooner
on
if
that?
the counselor didn't say to take some other classes before it.
I did take it
And my
sooner than him because I didn't have to do the second class. I just skipped to the third, and
I
he
did
was
it for
very
some
pissed about
certificate.
that. Huh?
I I got a certificate out of it though.
Yeah, you got a shitty career certificate that asked you like what to wear
Yay!
to a job interview.
Yeah.
I got a 5.
I think I
Nice.
think
I
I
got a
also got a
4.
5.
Yeah. I was scared during that test because I was like, I saw some other people's code and it looked exactly like mine. And I'm like, holy shit, those people are the smart ones. Why does my code look like theirs? I was worried for that exam. I'm very familiar with coding principles, so I could have learned most of the important course materials in like a month.
I learned coding principles with our bad coding teacher, and it was like 4 years ago, so I forgot like most of it. That's also why I'm
Yeah.
really bad on the technical side.
You mean like the physical component side? Or
That and just in general, like any knowledge related stuff.
yeah.
He's he is pretty much the reason I'm mainly just stuck on the coding part, and not even that I'm that into.
Yeah, I'm the knowledge section, he's the coding. That's just kind of what it's become. Like he'll be like
You
he'll
can
be
ask
like
me how it works. I don't know.
like
Ugh.
I can tell you how it works most of the time. He just codes it. Very familiar. I did it. Oh, nice. What'd you do? Wait. Oh, okay. I'll check the Discord while he's typing.
You actually got to use the Unity game engine. That's pretty cool. Yeah, for us we just used code.org and that sucked.
No, didn't you use Unity for 1 year? Or didn't they say they were
Oh,
going
that
to use you?
was personal choice though.
Oh, actually, the AP class might have been year 3. The other year 2, whichever wasn't AP. We learned how to use the Unity game engine. That's bullshit. I wish we did that.
Sounds like you had at least maybe a slightly better experience than us.
So Ray, what should we code next week?
My god.
It doesn't have to be the website. It can be anything else.
You want to try Roblox game dev next week?
Yeah, sure. If that's what you want to do.
Sure. At least that one both can access it at the same time easier without downloading any extra stuff.
Yeah, I have a game engine that's actually pretty good. I have RPG Maker
Oh
MV.
man, he got to use Unreal Engine. Oh, wow.
Did you use Unreal Engine?
That's sick.
I've used Unreal Engine. I just didn't get good at it. I couldn't figure it out.
Honestly, C Sharp, I don't think it's that different from at least the part I did, it wasn't that different from like Java.
No, C Sharp and Java are like on the same
From what I
evolution
remember,
tree.
they like looked exactly the same.
They're very similar. This took long to translate the irrelevant video. I had a timer for toast, which I like to take a while to make, and it started to 20 minutes, finished at 1. Jeez. Yeah, there were some things I learned that year. I tried to make an online game in Unreal Engine, and I realized how fucking stupid I was after I did that because I tried to make all the online components in like Hub World before I did any of the actual coding of anything.
Why would you do that?
'Cause I was stupid and young.
Like I genuinely can't see the thought process.
I didn't either. I don't think there was a thought process, I'm gonna be honest.
Yeah, that happens a lot with you.
Yeah, that's why I have grown in my developer journey of actually trying to plan out and code the basics before I do the shit that is very much not basic. Ignore the HTML, uh, showing
No,
that that is not at all what I've done today. But yeah, so do you
3
want to?
hours.
I know. Well, okay. Also, like the last 40 minutes of this have just been us fucking talking.
That's true. I
So
think this had to be a part of the stream.
Didn't have to, but it's more fun that way, isn't it?
Is it?
Eh, chill. Anyway, so next stream, do you want to do more web development, or do you want to do a project that you want to do, or do you want to do Roblox? It is anything you want to do. I will let you choose. I can do web
Uh,
development. I can figure it out on my own with tutorials.
Here, I'll think of a project that we could do, and then maybe you can have your people vote on it between three: web development, one a project I think of, or we mess around in Roblox development.
Okay.
Also, you did miss one of the best years I had in computer of the school
I know. So the thing is, my CS
because we
teacher has
got
like
to
a
use
pattern with
Roblox.
the way he teaches. Basically, comes up with the lowest effort way to teach to a classroom.
Oh my!
Fair enough. We felt
We
that too.
feel that so badly because our teacher literally just made assignments using ChatGPT, but I don't think he even used a higher model because it was always like
Wrong.
not fully made.
Yeah, he would use ChatGPT to make our assignments. And then there was another teacher who acted like ChatGPT. That was 2 years before it came out. The robotics teacher. God, he
Yeah.
acted like a fucking chatbot. He wasn't lecturing us about coding principles. He had a pre-recorded video that was like 15 minutes at
Oh my
most.
god.
Oh my goodness, that's what we had to do for Code HS. He made us watch every fucking video.
Yeah.
I hated that class so much. I've
I
heard my
think I
teacher
would have learned
considers
better
her.
if they literally just like sat me down and just said go wild.
Okay, wait. Or in the alphabet, it'd be Valen McCanadian O'Ree. What? Canadian. All right. So
Yeah, we had a teacher that basically followed that.
what I did. Oh, I didn't read the message. Uh, he wasn't lecturing us about coding principles. He had a pre-recorded video that was like 15 minutes at most. Then we had to go to the online course or had to open the game engine and do what he explained. For the fourth year with Unreal, there was no skill checks. The entire assignment was just to replicate what he did.
Yeah, it does not sound enjoyable.
That's exactly what we had to do with the doctor.
Yeah, pretty much. He basically he like had everything else do his job for him.
Yeah.
It was really fun to see the slow descent of insanity and burnt out from our one engineering friend. Because he was a bright coding student like us.
You're calling me a bright coding student?
Like me.
So with Unreal, our work was split into projects. I think that's a better way to do it for Unreal Engine though. But yeah, the Mexicans his mental state deteriorated a lot over that year. I can't think of a good nickname for him. All I can think of is the Mexican. Look at that works. Basically, the teacher had us work on the same project files for a unit. Oh, okay.
It's not I guess that isn't too terrible. At least you branched out. We just really just stuck to code HS.
In Discord, I sent you the Canadian explanation. LASIK symbols are labeled with the English translation. The LASIK symbol is 39 words.
Doesn't sound so as bad.
That image is the explanation. The Canadian maple leaf English translation refers to a Canadian. Oh, this is the symbol. You're in place of ooh. Oh, you're. Okay, I get it. I get it now. And the end of that unit summative was the full completed project. However, with these end of unit projects, he did something special. Oh no. Okay.
a wow factor.
In addition to the completed project, which would be the results of doing all the assignments, you had to include a wow factor,
Yeah,
something that
that just
impresses
sounds
the
like a pain in the
teacher.
ass.
That would be impossible for us. You gave no direction for this. Yeah.
Actually,
That-
no, that wouldn't have been impossible for us because he would like get impressed if you figure out how to add in code.
If some kid said it was impossible during the lecture, that's just something you put into your code.
Yeah. But yeah, I
If
can see why that is a pain in the ass. No, having no direction kind of sucks when you need direction.
yeah.
Like with the entirety of your project is built on having direction, kind of sucks to not have it.
All right. So you had those ideas, right? I can put them on a poll on the Discord right now. So what were they? Roblox game.
More web development, I guess. We can continue doing this.
More web development. Ray will kill himself.
Just something he didn't show. I guess that makes sense. At least there's that.
OS development. No, let's make it a personal project for you. I'll leave OS development to be a back
I don't
burner
have too many
project.
personal projects right now. I forgot most of them.
I thought you wanted to do a project for your class.
What class? What are you talking about?
I thought you wanted to make a
Ooh,
project.
maybe add Discord bot. We can try to mess around with Discord bot stuff. Okay.
Uh,
That
oh,
could be interesting.
okay. Discord bot?
Yeah.
We're gonna make this a week-long poll so that it'll be pretty much done by the time next Wednesday rolls around. Because for me, this weekend, I'm going to be starting the setup of my home lab. I'm going to be setting up a wireless bridge between my router and my other router that I got. And then tomorrow, my Ethernet cables come in because I didn't want to cut any because that's too many tools that I don't have. And then I'm going to hook those up, and one of those is going to become a server that hosts this website. Not not this one.
I'm just gonna sit on my ass.
You're not going to do anything?
Probably not.
You're just going to play Peek with the Russian?
Yeah. Peak is pretty fun.
Fair enough.
I might do that later actually.
You were going to do it later.
I was gonna do it later.
All
Alright. I
right.
think I'm gonna get off the stream at least.
All right. I was thinking of ending the stream too. Well,
Alright.
thank you to everyone who came by. Hope you all enjoyed the stream.
Thanks for
Ray
watching
definitely didn't.
whatever this was.
I'm forcing him back to do more development stuff because he needs to code more and I need him. By the way, with Unreal Edition C++, which I learned to use every time before I made it to fourth year, also had visual scripting. Oh yeah, I know. I've used blueprints before. All right. Comments, criticisms, suggestions are always welcome. It's been me, Moosh. That's been Ray.
Help me.
Fuck off, Ray. See you later. Join the Discord below. And I have some videos that are coming up soon, so stay tuned for those. See you later. Arrivederci.